Hello all. Can you hear us? Can you hear me? And also Deepak?
Hi everyone.
So welcome everyone. Let us, okay, I think everyone has joined. Most of the people have joined. So I was thinking to wait one more minute, but I think most of the people have joined. So great to see many of the names which we already know. Like, I mean, we have interacted either way, either on the call or on the chat. So great to see many of the names. So there are many people that I personally know. So really great to see, and I'm sure that as we are going further, like we will be creating just like a community, and everyone will be familiar to everyone else. So this happened last year also, and this will definitely happen this year also. Okay. So in this, Deepak, you want to say something?
So I just want to say that Go Classes last batch was like a family, and the batch before that was also like a family. So there is a
Right.
we keep having discussion. It's like normally in the coaching institutes, this alumni word is not used, but in the Go Classes, you will see that this like Go Classes alumni. So very soon you will see that like because it is like a family, right? Okay, so we will help you till the gate exam and beyond the gate exam. Okay, so every day it's not like once the syllabus is over we will leave you. It will not happen. We will be with you till the gate exam, on the gate exam, before and after the gate exam. So we will be with you always. Okay,
Till you get admission to IITs.
yeah,
I mean,
even after that also, because Sandeep Visa, he's in IIT Kanpur, Abhishek Ghosh, he's in IIT in ISC Bangalore.
I see.
Sometimes these they did not do this, but there is one student who is in IIT, old IIT, and he sends me assignment questions. So I try to do them. Of course, I try to help him. Maybe some hint or something I try to give him. So you can see, Go Classes will help you for the gate exam, after the gate exam, in your MTech. Okay, so basically we will
Yeah.
be always with you. Okay,
Right.
so now,
Actually, this
yeah.
happened with me also, like the same thing. So I used to get initially, like I used to get assignment question from linear algebra and probability, that okay, how to solve this and all. Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
So let's start now.
Okay, so in this session, we will be just familiarizing you that like how you are going to proceed with Go classes, which means like I will not talk, I and Deepak will not talk about the obvious details, like which we have already talked about. Few things of the obvious things we will not be talking about. We will be just walking you through that how to best make use of Go classes, how to do little things. So this is all about the little things which will make a big difference after all. Okay, so let me just share my screen. I hope you can see the screen, right? Okay, you can see the, can anyone confirm? Okay, great. So let's just get started. So first of all, welcome everyone to the orientation session. Welcome everyone to the Go classes. I and Deepak are very excited to have you all. This is our almost third batch. Like first batch was in 2021 batch, and 22 batch, then 23, and this is going to be 2024 batch. So we are very excited to have you all, and welcome to Go classes.
Before we start this session, I want to tell you about Gate 20, our last year batch results. Okay, so
Right.
you will see this after 1 month on, I think, 16th or 17th March. The Gate 2023 result will come out, and you will see the result of Go classes. You will see. So from our Gate 2023 batch, in the top 30 there will be 9+ students. In top 30, there will be nine
9+
nine plus
students.
students from Go classes. See, let me tell you one thing, okay, because I have been in the field of gate exam for a very long time, since 2016. So it's like almost 7 years of experience. And I can tell you, this type of result, this type of genuine result, no one has ever produced. In top 30, 10 names will be Go classes. Like if you make a list, like it will be like Go classes dash dash Go classes dash 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 Go classes dash dash dash, like that. Okay, so
Right.
there will be, in the top 30, 10+ names will be from Go classes complete course students. These are not test series students.
Yeah, these are
We,
from the beginning, from the
let
day
me
one they were with
let
us.
me tell you that we do not include when we are saying that our 10 plus students are coming in top 30, we are not including the test series students. We are only
Right.
including our complete course students who have watched our complete course, who have joined our complete course almost like from last 1 year. Okay, so this is just to motivate you that you are in the very right place. And I only told you about top 30 result, because if I tell you about top 300, right now at this point of time we are expecting more than 60 or 70, more than 60 or 70 in top 300. So you can just calculate like how
Right.
this ratio you can calculate, like more than 60 or 70 out of top 300. Okay, yes.
Under top
Prathamesh is
300.
asking very Prathamesh is asking very nice doubt. How many students were there in the GATE 2023 batch of Go classes? Last year in the Go classes 2023 batch, around 700 students were there, at most 700, basically 650 to 700 students were there. Okay, so out of 700 students, 60 or 70 students are going to get top 300 rank, 10 students are going to get top 30 rank. That is the result of Go classes. And I tell you, like, you just I am telling you, you can also find it out that no one has ever produced this type of result. So anyway,
Yeah.
so this is just to motivate you a little bit that you are in a very right place. And if you
Right.
follow us for 1 year, if you follow us consistently, then we will make sure that you will also get your desired result.
Right. So actually, since you are just a student and I mean you do not have much exposure to the other things, so let me just tell you that this is not normal. I mean, you might think that okay, maybe this is normal. This is the history. I mean, no one ever has produced this much genuine toppers. Okay, they may like I mean contact to the toppers. That's a different thing. But no one has ever produced this much result like just like a genuine toppers. I mean, they may contact toppers later, or somehow they hack it. But like according to me, like I have not seen actually like this these kind of results. We are just overwhelmed, like just to see that okay, we are getting these many toppers. We are very happy, and this is just a motivation to start your journey. That yes, you are at the right place. Like if you prepare in the right direction, if you prepare with us, then definitely like we are going to achieve a far better result than this in the next year. This will for sure happen. Okay, so now let me just start. Yeah, we are very excited to have every one of you. Welcome to Go Classes again. So let's just just answer few small things, because it is our duty to tell you the few small things, that how to join live classes and how to ask your doubts and these things. Okay, let me first answer these small things, then we will have your doubts. So first question is that how to join live classes, right? So which means like we will be conducting live classes and recorder session will be uploaded daily, and there will be live classes. So the so first question that students might ask, that from where we will be getting the live classes link. So the answer of this question is that we will be sharing the link in Telegram group. And okay, first let me tell you, you can actually join using Telegram or using website. So first let me tell you using the website. So if you want to join the live class, then what you need to do, you just need to go to this website. You will see my courses here, right? You can definitely see my courses, and then under my courses you will be seeing one of the course which is currently running. I mean, all the course you will be seeing, but one of the course which is currently running under which you will be seeing this small thing, that one upcoming live class, right? And then if you click on this course, then you will see that okay, this class is basically, if you can see it here, this class, this demo, like I just named it demo. So this demo class is upcoming, and this classes will be live within 2 hours 4 minutes 28 seconds. Some timer will be there. So basically you can join live classes using the website. Go to the my courses, go to the particular course, and then just join the live class after, like at the certain time. Okay, this is the process of joining live classes using website. So I hope that is clear. Now another thing is that you can join live class. Okay, so another thing is that you can join live class using Telegram group. I mean using Zoom, and Zoom link will be shared on the Telegram group. So I'm just writing it. Link will be shared in the Telegram group. Okay, so there are two Telegram group currently. One is private group, another one is announcement group. Let me just ask you that how many of you are there in the private and announcement groups? if you are not in the announcement group, then just go to the description of the private group. Okay, there is a group description. Just go there and click on the announcement group link and just join this announcement group. What is the difference between these two? Announcement group is basically just like a one-way communication. So it is accessible. I mean, the right permission is only to the admin. Right permissions only to admin. Okay, only to admin. So basically we will be just posting some announcement there. So just join it if you have not joined it yet. And private group is a general group where you can ask your doubts and all. And I will talk about this private group little later. I mean, more about this private group little later, that how to make use of this. And but I'm just focusing here on the announcement group because some of the people are on that private group, but not on the announcement group. So basically you will be getting a Zoom link in at the both of the places, in the private group or in the private announcement group also. So you must join both of them. Okay. And also, if you want to join classes using website, then also you can join. So there are two ways to join the classes, either or using the Zoom or using the website. I hope that is clear. So just to reiterate here, like there are two ways: website or Zoom. Okay. So this is first thing that we have cleared, and Zoom link will be shared on the private group. Cool. Private and announcement group. Now let me move further. So your courses like this digital logic is, let's suppose, having one live class. So if you go to the website, then if it is having a live class, then it will show that okay, one live class is upcoming. Okay, and then you can join the class. Now, like link will, as I told you, that link will be shared in the Telegram group, and there are two groups, the group and announcement group, right? And if you do not have access to these groups, then you can just mail us, and with your registered email ID, we will just add you to that group. How many of you are not in the private group? Okay. Can anyone tell me if you are not in the private group? You just mail us. Okay. If you are not in the private group, you just mail us. We will add you to the group, and that's not an issue. Okay. Just drop us a mail, and the email ID is on the website, which is contact@goclasses.in. Contact@goclasses. Classes.in. Right. Okay. Now, the second point is that some of the students were asking that, sir, how to resolve our doubts? Because this is most crucial thing, and that's where the Go classes will be differing from other institutes. And I mean, there are many places where Go classes will be differing. It is just one of them. So basically, how to resolve your doubts in the best possible way. So there are different channels from which you can ask your doubts. Let me just tell you the channels. I think I have listed there. Okay. So let me just list them out. So the channels where you can ask your doubt is basically, you can definitely ask your doubt on the Telegram group. This is the most frequent place where you will be asking your doubt. You can ask your doubt on the GATEOverflow website. So you must be familiar about the GATEOverflow website. Anyone here who is hearing GATEOverflow website first time? Sachin and Deepak, or Deepak, I mean, it depends on the subject. So either you tag Sachin or you tag Deepak, sir. Okay. So these are the two places. This is the most frequently place. So basically you will be asking your doubt here mostly. Why? Because here it will be a community with all of the students. So whatever doubt you are having, it might so happen that this doubt is shared by other students also. I mean, other students might also be having the doubt. Then there are some students who are interested to solve that doubt. So basically you will be getting the most exposure on the Telegram group, right? So that's why it will be the mostly used channel. Another thing is that if you want, you can just mail us. So we will create a separate email ID. Okay. So let me just tell you, it will be a separate email ID. Separate email ID. And what is the email ID domain that we need to just check? Actually, we will be just taking the email ID from the Go classes server. So basically the email ID typically, I'm not confirming it now, but it will typically look like something like this: doubt@goclasses.in. Okay. So this is a typical email ID, but I'm not confirming it now. We will just confirm it little later. So there will be a separate email ID just for the doubts. So I'm just fading it because I'm not sure that the domain is available or not. I mean, it must be available, but we will just check whether it is the final or not. Okay. So it will be something like doubt@goclasses.in. Cool. So mostly it will be the only email ID, but we will just confirm it little later. So you can mail us on the separate email ID. Now on the separate email ID, this email ID, like either I will be replying. Okay, so either Sachin will be replying or Deepak will be replying. or we will give the access of this email ID to some of our top rankers of the past year, right? So like Himanshu Datta is there, Aditya Shaw is there. So there are many past year toppers. So we will give the email ID access to them, so that if let's suppose we are occupied, I and Deepak are occupied, so your doubt should not be pending. So that Aditya, Himanshu Datta, or whatever, like there are many toppers which are in under 100, they should be replying to your doubts. So basically, we will be sharing this email ID access to top rankers, some of the top rankers, right? We will choose some of the top rankers, so that you can ask your doubts, and you get the response very fast. But again, just to reiterate again, like this Telegram group is mostly preferred. Okay, so these are the three channels. Another thing is that, let's suppose that you are asking some doubt, you are asking on the Telegram, or maybe you are asking on the GATEOverflow website, or maybe you are mailing us, but on the text format you are not able to clear your doubts, right? Then what you can do, you can ask your doubts in the live class. Okay, there will be a live class, you can ask your doubts there also. So this is also mostly encouraged, like this Telegram group and live class. These are the two channels which will mostly encourage that you should be asking your doubts, something like this. And last thing is that, let's suppose that you are asking on the Telegram or mail, but you are not satisfied. I mean, you are not satisfied with the text format, and you were not available at the during the live class. So what you can do, you can just schedule a call with us. Okay, you can just schedule a call with me or Deepak. So you just schedule a call, you just drop us a message that, sir, I have some doubt and I'm not able to I'm not satisfied. I'm not getting good enough details using the text format, and I want to have a conversation with you. Then we will just have a conversation with you. So you just call us at the mentioned time. Okay, so these are the channels where you can ask your doubts. So there are many ways you can ask your doubts. We want to make sure that none of your doubts should get unresponsive. This is one thing. And not just that we just want to respond your doubt, we want to respond your doubt with 100% satisfaction. I mean, we don't want to be keep in dilemma even after you ask your doubt. So if you are having some doubt, you ask us a doubt, and if you are in dilemma even after the answer, then also you just ask us again. So basically, you schedule a call even if you are having a dilemma, if you are having confusion. So we want you to get your answer with 100% satisfaction. It's not like that we are just doing some formality. So every of the doubts should be answered with 100% satisfaction. So let me just ask you, is this clear to everyone? Okay, so if you are having doubt, then please ask us. If you are having doubt again, then ask us again. So we are encouraging you to ask the doubt. Now please communicate before it's too late. Okay, so it's very important, communicate before it's too late. So suppose you are having some doubt, and you are thinking that, okay, I will ask this doubt later or something, but don't do it. I mean, whenever you are having doubt, just ask us. So communicate before it's too late. First thing is that, and this is applicable to any problem. Let's suppose you are having any problem, you are not satisfied with some of the thing. Let's suppose there is something by which you are not satisfied, and you are just telling us after the gate result or after the gate examination, you are telling us that, sir, in the Go classes, I was facing this kind of problem. Okay, my doubt was not resolved, or I was facing that kind of problem. It actually hurt us. Like, to be honest, it is very disheartening to us to hear the problems after the gate. We want to solve your problem. So even if we are not we are not able to respond on any of the channel, then, and if you are, let's suppose, not happy with any of the service that we are providing, then just communicate to us, because we want to solve that problem. Okay, so please communicate. If you are shy to communicate on the call, then just drop us a mail that, sir, I'm not getting this problem resolved, then please resolve it. Okay, Deepak, you want to say something?
Yeah, so basically, if you are shy, because some students are shy, right? So if you don't want to communicate on Telegram, then you can communicate on the mail. You can send us a mail, you can send us a private message, but please do communicate. After the gate exam, please after the gate exam, if you say that this was not good, that was not good, so it is better that you can tell us at that time, right? So during your preparation, let me give example, like in the month of August or in the month of September, if you have some issue, then you tell us immediately at that time. You call us, you can call me, you can call Sachin, you can send us a message, you can send us a mail. So there are many things that you can do. Okay, so whenever you are facing any issue, whenever you are not satisfied, whenever there is anything technical, non-technical, it can be anything, okay, please let us know. We will resolve it. Okay, so please let us know. Okay, so don't keep it to yourself. We are here. It is not a typical coaching institute where like we are not employees, remember. Okay, so it's not like we will do our work and then we will not reply to you, then we will not talk to you. Okay, it's not like that. Okay, so this is as I told you, we are not bounded by the working hours. Okay, so once our class is over, live class is over, then also you can call us, you can message us, you can you have our personal number. Let me tell you, my personal WhatsApp number I will provide to you. Okay, and similarly Sachin will provide you his personal number. Of course, before calling, it is good that you will schedule a call on WhatsApp. Okay, directly do not call, because we also have a personal life, so maybe we are also busy with something else. So before calling us, you please uh, you please send us a message on WhatsApp or Telegram that, sir, I want to talk to you, let's schedule a call. Then we will tell you that, yeah, okay, so at evening 5 p.m you can call me on this number, you can call me. Okay, then at evening 5 p.m you call. Okay, so those things you can do. Again, I am telling you, we are here for you. We are not employees, we are not bounded by working hours. We will sometimes reply to your messages at 2 p.m 3 p.m. Okay, so there is a topper who is going to be a topper this year, Abhrajyoti Kundu. So sometimes, let me tell you, most of the times he used to ask me doubts between 1 p.m and 5 p.m. Most of our conversations happened between, sorry, 1 a.m and 5 a.m, 1 a.m at night. Okay, so we are not bounded by working hours, but before calling us, please schedule a call with us. Okay, very
Yes.
simple.
Right. True. So please ask us a doubt, and if you are having any problem, let's suppose, I mean, see, throughout the journey, you might be having some problem. I mean, out of the 100 things, maybe 99 things will go well, but in one of the thing you might be having a problem. That, sir, please do resolve this problem, and then tell this problem without any fear or without any fear of getting judged. That, okay, if I tell, then what will the sir think, and something like that. Don't keep your any problem to yourself. We are welcoming any criticism, and we will resolve it. So we are here to solve it. Right, so don't keep it to yourself. Okay, so now join Telegram
सचिन
group that
बस
I
एक छोटा सा वो डाउट, क्या नाम है, मनोज ने एक डाउट पूछा है, तो मैं हिंदी में रिप्लाई कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि डाउट भी ऐसा ही है। तो मनोज
अच्छा
ने पूछा है कि कैन आई आस्क माय डाउट इन हिंदी? ऑफ कोर्स,
हाँ
वी आर फ्रॉम राजस्थान। ओके, सो वी स्पीक हिंदी इंग्लिश बोथ ऑफ देम, सो यू
हाँ
कैन आस्क योर डाउट्स इन हिंदी ऑल्सो इन द लाइव
right
सेशन। You can turn on your mic, you can ask your doubt in Hindi, or you can ask in the Telegram group also, you can ask in Hindi. Okay, so it doesn't matter. You just tag me. If you are not getting your doubt resolved, you tag me or you tag Sachin. So don't worry about it. Okay, yeah.
right. So please wait for your questions. Like, we will just answer the questions after 15 minutes. Let me just go through the few points that we already wanted to discuss. Okay, so please wait for some of the questions which are out of the sync, which means, like, if you are not having a question related to the current presentation, current slide, then please keep it with you for 15 minutes, and after that we will just solve it. Okay, so this is how the Telegram group looks like. This is the Go Classes private Telegram group, and I think okay, this is the old screenshot where the members were this much, but now I think members are 700 plus or something. So this is the private Telegram group. This is how the private Telegram group looks like. And here, if you go to the description part, then you will be seeing some other Telegram groups. So just join it. Okay, this is the first group, is announcement group. Just join this announcement group so that you do not miss any of the announcement from us. Because, like, sometimes what happens in the Telegram group, in this general group, what will happen in the private group, what will happen, there will be many messages, and sometimes you may miss some of the important messages. So basically this is where the announcement group comes into the picture. You can find all of the important notification, important conversation in the announcement groups. Okay, cool. So Yeah, I think okay. This is very important that we wanted to do this year, and that's what we have decided just today only, that we will be keeping two groups. For the alumni group, we will be keeping the separate group, and for the technical questions, we will keeping the separate group. Because what may so happen that some of the students, since the community is going bigger, and we don't want to lose the connection with any of the students, so we want to keep alumni with us. But what may so happen that this general private telegram group might be having too much of messages which are non-technical, right? But your technical doubt may get overlooked because of those non-technical discussions. So that is why we will be having another group where you just need to have only technical questions. So maybe we will be just renaming the current group to only technical questions, and then there will be a separate alumni group for the motivation and for the some other content, or maybe some chit chat conversation with the alumni or with us. So there will be a separate group for the alumni, and there will be a separate group for the technical conversation. Okay. Yeah. Now, as I told you that there will be a separate email ID for the doubt resolution. We will share the email ID very, very soon. So typically it will look like doubt@goclasses.in, but we will share the correct, the final name with you very, very soon. So if you are having any doubt, and then preferred channel is the Telegram group. And let's suppose if your doubt is not cleared, or somehow it got overlooked on the Telegram group, then you just mail us. The preference is whenever you are asking the doubt on the Telegram group, then over the mail, if it is possible, then just give a screenshot of that your doubt over the Telegram, so that we get to know that okay, what was your doubt on the Telegram. And I mean, it is better if you ask us first on the Telegram group. Reason is very, 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 very simple, which is that there is a more exposure. I mean, this Telegram group is exposed to 1,000 students, something like that. And then if you're asking this doubt, there will be many, many replies that you will be getting, and you should also participate in other doubts, right? Others doubt. So basically this Telegram group will be like a community, and this will be a discussion in the Telegram group. This will be a discussion. So if you are asking, let's suppose x plus y equal to what, then in the Telegram group you will be basically getting the answer of x plus y equal to what. This is just a complimentary answer you will be getting, and then you will be getting answers of many other things. I mean, related to this particular question, you will be getting answers of many other things. So that's why the preferred channel is a Telegram group. But let's suppose after the Telegram group, first ask on the Telegram group, and after the Telegram group, if it is not resolved in the 24 hours, okay, then you just mail us your doubt, and we will share the email ID. We will be solving your doubt as soon as possible with 100% satisfaction. Okay. Cool.
So one thing, actually, we have not created that email ID yet. doubt@goclasses.in. That email ID has not yet been created. We will create it in the next 2-3 days. We will create it. Okay. So as I told you, we will share that doubt discussion email ID. We will share. Okay. So please wait for it. One more thing, I want to tell you that in that mail, basically that will be only for doubts. Okay. That email ID, that will be only for doubts, and only for doubts of enrolled students. So in that
Yes.
email ID, only those messages will come to us, okay, which are from enrolled students doubts. Okay. So very simple. So and also one more thing, of course, we encourage you to prefer the Telegram, okay, so that you can get a reply immediately. Okay, you will send a message and you will get a reply within 15 minutes, 10 minutes, you will get a reply. So that is the most quick way. So 90% times you will get your reply within maybe half an hour, you will get a reply. Okay. But the point is, if you don't want to ask on the Telegram group, there was one student last year, I want to tell you, he was very shy. Okay. So he told me that, sir, I don't want to ask in the Telegram. I'm like, I don't feel comfortable asking in the Telegram. So we told him, no problem, you send me message individually. Okay. Whatever doubt you have, you send me message individually. So again, I'm telling you that we encourage you to ask in the Telegram, so that you can get a quick reply, very quick reply you get, but you can prefer the mail also.
Yes, right. So, and reason why we are preferring the Telegram is because there is a more exposure. I mean, there's a vast exposure on the Telegram. So that's why if you prefer Telegram, then it is best. Cool. Okay. One more thing before I go further, I want to tell you about that how to best ask doubts. Right? If you are having some doubt, then how to basically ask doubt in the best way. So let me just write it here. How to ask doubts in best way, best possible way. So see, sometimes what will happen, since you are starting your preparation, and then sometimes what will happen that people do not know that how to ask doubts how to frame the doubts and something like that. Then they will just send the screenshot of the question. Okay, they will just send the screenshot, and then they will say a screenshot of question. Then they will say that solve it. Okay, they will just say solve it. So basically this is not the good way. I mean, I will come to that particular point, that I agree that some of the students just want to prefer this way. I will come to that point, but preferably it's not a good way. Like if you are sending a screenshot of the question and then you are just saying solve it, it's not a good way. So what's the best way is that you just write the steps. Okay, write steps that you did for this particular question, and just ask your doubt that, okay, I'm concluding this, I'm solving my question, and these are the steps how this is how I solve my question, and this is where I'm stuck. Okay, I'm not able to conclude, I'm not able to move from this particular step, I'm not able to find out my mistake in this particular step, something like that. So don't just send a screenshot of the question and just say that solve it. So basically it's just a very bad way to ask doubt. But some of the students might have, like in some of the students case, this might happen that they do not even know that how to start solving that out. I mean, this is actually the second step. Second step is basically that you are writing your steps, right? I mean, the second thing is that you are writing your steps. Once we know that, okay, how to solve the question, but suppose you do not even know that how to solve the question, you are stuck at the very beginning. You do not know that, okay, what to do with this question. Then only you just send us a screenshot. Okay, then only you just send us a screenshot only when. So let me just write it. Send us a screenshot only when you don't have any clue. Okay, that's okay. I mean, that's perfectly fine if you don't have any clue, but don't do it for every other question. Just prefer this way. Write all the steps, then let us know, let everyone, every other student know that where you are stuck, and then everyone will be solving. If you're just saying that, okay, solve it, then I don't think that people will get interested. Okay, for every other doubt you are just saying that solve it, then I don't think people will get interested. So that's why this is the best way. Now see, like some of the students, when they're asking the doubts, they may think that my doubt is silly. I mean, should I ask this doubt or not? Or I mean, will the people judge or not? So don't do it. So if you're thinking that my doubt is silly, actually it might sound very filmy, but let me just reiterate the very famous line, which is that no doubt is silly, basically. Okay, if you are having any doubt, then actually any doubt is worthy if you are having that doubt. If you're just not applying your mind, and if you're just sending the screenshot, it might not be worthy. But if you are having genuine doubt, then it means a lot to us. So basically, if a doubt mean something to you, then it means a lot to us. Okay, so don't think that my doubt is silly. This is one mistake that you are doing. Let's suppose that you are not convinced with me, and then you are still thinking that your doubt is silly. Then the best way is that you just mail us. Okay, like we want to solve your doubts. This is I'm repeating it 100 times, because we want to make sure that all of your doubts is getting solved with 100% satisfaction. So suppose that in some case you are saying that, okay, my doubt is very silly, you are afraid to ask that doubt in the Telegram group. But, although it won't happen, because people are very helpful, very supportive. It's just like a family. So you will not feel like your doubt is silly or something. But still, in some cases, if you feel like this and you don't want to ask on the Telegram, then best way to ask is on the on the mail. Okay, cool. Now this is very important thing, which is that we will be providing you mentorship and support. So what, like apart from the doubt discussion, which is the technical doubt discussion, we will also be providing you mentorship, which means that if we are stuck in the preparation, let's suppose you are preparing and then you are saying that, okay, let me write it here. If you are preparing and you are saying that, okay, last 3 weeks were not good. I mean, it might happen. I mean, you are preparing, but you are not consistent, and for you last 3 weeks are not good. Or any other problem that you are facing, that sir, my 1 month got wasted. Now what should I do, or what should I not do, or something like that. I'm having, yeah, as Manoj is saying, that I'm having exams upcoming. How to manage these exams and all. So we will be conducting a mentorship session monthly once. That is mandatory. If that is required, then we will be having some random mentorship sessions also. So monthly ones, that will be there, but we might also conduct some surprising or some random sessions apart from the monthly sessions, where you can ask all of your non-technical doubts, that okay sir, I'm not being consistent, what to do, how to manage my company work and the classes, how to manage my college and the classes, semester classes, and the go classes lectures, or whatever doubt you have. Okay, so you should be asking all of your doubts with us, either technical or non-technical. For non-technical doubts, we will be conducting a mentorship sessions. Okay. So, yeah, like for the support, again, for the mentorship also, you can ask all of your doubts, whether it is technical or non-technical, in the private Telegram group, and on the live session. So generally it is for technical, but suppose you are having a non-technical doubt also, then you can ask on the private Telegram group. And if the classes end, then you can just ask any of the non-technical doubt at the class end if you want. Otherwise, we will prefer you wait for the mentorship session only. Okay. I mean, apart from the technical sessions, there will be some mentorship session. You just wait for this and then ask your doubt. Otherwise, you can definitely ask your doubt in the private Telegram group. Okay. Now, as I told you that what is the best way to ask your doubt? So can anyone tell me what is the best way? Just tell us that where you are stuck, right? Just write the steps. Okay, write steps. Write your analysis basically, and tell us where you are stuck. Don't send the screenshot right away and just don't say that okay, solve it. Okay, it is not a good way, but like suppose that you're stuck at very first step, then only prefer this way.
See, actually, I want to tell you that this is for your benefit. This has nothing
Yeah.
nothing to do with us, or it has nothing to do with anyone who is going to solve your doubt. Okay, if you do not try, then how will you top? There is no meaning of preparing for the GATE exam if you do not improve, right? So that is the reason we are again like Sachin is telling you 2-3 times. Sachin is telling you that whenever you are asking a doubt, please, because see, when you see a question, you can do something in it. That is guaranteed, because you have studied the concept. Okay, now the question is in front of you, you can do something about it most of the time. Okay, so for the 90% questions, you can do something about it. So what you have done, if you write that sir, I did this, I applied this approach, now I am stuck, now please help me, so then we will help you. Okay, someone else will help you. Sometimes it is also possible that, because there was a question, I remember in GATE 2017, there was a model question. Okay, let me tell you, in that question, most of the students, they will not even get the idea where to start. See, they will read the question, they will not even find the first step, because okay, right, the question is something different. So if this happens, that you have no idea how to start the question, then no problem, then you send the question and you write, sir, I have no idea how to start this question, please give me a hint. Okay, or maybe please help me in this
Right.
doubt. Okay, so very simple. Again, one thing I want to tell you, because Twinkle is saying that if I ask some silly doubt, then I will get scolded. No, 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 we never do that, we have never done that. Okay, the only thing we have done is, you are asking some doubt and we will reply, what have you done in this question, please tell us. This type of reply you may get. Okay, this type of reply you can get, but we will never scold you. You can ask us any silly doubt. Silly means you can ask us anything, like maybe 2 + 2 = 4. We will help you, we will answer, or we will give you the answer. So don't worry about it. Okay, we never do that. We never scold anyone, we never demotivate anyone. Okay, this has never happened in Go classes. Okay, so don't worry about it.
And actually, yeah, that is very true. That this is just for your own benefit. Like this has nothing to do with us. So if you talk to any topper, okay, if you talk to any topper, just observe that what they are doing. I mean, let's suppose that I'm not generalizing it for this year. I mean, for this year, just by seeing some of the toppers in the weekly quiz or test series. But let me just say that, let's suppose you praise someone that you think that okay, that person is intelligent. Okay, let's suppose that in the weekly quizzes there are 2-3 persons which you see that okay, they are consistently performing very good, then just little bit, okay, just little bit observe that how they are behaving in the group and how they are helping others, how they're asking their doubts. Are they just sending the screenshot and they're just saying that, okay, solve it, or they are just doing some analysis on top of it? Are they helping others or not? So just see the toppers, that how they are doing. And like, see, you all want to be topper, and we want you to make like you to be a topper. But for that, apart from the studies, you should be behaving like a topper, which means you should be adopting the habits of the topper from the very beginning. So that you should be doing, and this is for your own benefit. If you are analyzing the question more, then you will be getting the idea of that, okay, how to tackle with these kind of questions more if the new question comes. So basically the best way is that whenever you see some question, spend enough time, okay, spend enough time before asking the doubt. That is just for your own benefit. Before asking, trust me, this is just only for your own benefit. If you are just not applying your mind, if you're just asking the doubt right away, nothing will happen. How much study you do, nothing will happen. If you're just asking the doubt right away, you see the question, you see, okay, I don't know how to solve, let me just ask the doubt. Nothing will happen in GATE. Okay, I mean, you ask any topper, you ask anyone, if you are not spending your own time for your own analysis, then it won't be a fruitful journey for you. So just spend enough time. I hope that makes some sense. Cool. Now let me move further. Now we also have Go Classes app. You can download the Android app. iOS app is coming. Okay, iOS app is coming maybe in a month. So after the iOS app, you can, if you have iPhone, you can also download the iOS app, but you can definitely download the Android app now. If you have not downloaded, then just download it, because that's very, I mean, very convenient. Like we have got many feedbacks about the Android app. That's very convenient. So just download it. How to download? It's very easy. You just go to the Play Store, just type Go Classes, just search Go Classes on the Play Store. You will be getting the link, or otherwise you can just see this link, or maybe it's very easy. You can just type the Go Classes on the Play Store. You will be getting the getting the Go Classes app there. Okay, cool. So now let me tell you about the daily doubt and practice session. So what's going to happen in this session? So daily, as we already communicated, there will be 1 2, I mean, typically it will be actually 1.5 hours only. Like sometimes it might be 2 hours, sometimes it will be just 1 hour. So that's why we are saying a margin of I mean, we are telling you 1.5 hours, but sometimes it might go little beyond, sometimes little early, but typically it will be of 1.5 hours. So there we will be solving doubts. Okay, I mean, we will be basically solving the practice questions first. Some practice questions we'll be solving now based on whatever we have told yesterday. So basically, see, just listen here. There will be, let's suppose, 3 to 4 hours of video today. Okay, 3 to 4 hours of videos today. Then related to this concept, the doubts and the practice will be tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow live. So basically, you will be getting more than 24 hours of the time to complete the recorded session. So you will be getting more than 24 hours. More than 24 hours time. Okay, is this clear to everyone? Actually, some of the students ask us that, okay, sir, if you're going to upload 3 to 4 hours of video in afternoon, then how we can read those videos, and how we can solve our doubts or solve the practice questions in the live classes. So it's not like that. I mean, if we are uploading it today, then the practice session will happen tomorrow relevant to that video. So basically, the schedule is like this: live session will be for the yesterday classes, or maybe the past classes. It won't be for the today's classes. Okay.
Also,
No.
Sachin,
Huh.
we can mention that every week, basically every day there will be live session. But what will happen? 3 days, 3 days consecutively, Sachin will take the live classes for his subjects, and three days consecutively, I will take the live sessions for my classes. Right? Okay. So please note this, that every day there will be one live session. Okay. 3 days consecutively Sachin will take. 3 days consecutively I will take. Wednesday will be off. On Wednesday we will upload weekly quiz. Okay, in Go Classes, weekly quiz is the most, like, people wait for it. Okay, this is something like an event. Okay, people wait for weekly quiz. Last year it was a very successful event. Okay, so this year also the same will happen. Wednesday will be off. No lecture will be uploaded. one weekly quiz will be uploaded. It will have 15 questions, 15 good, very nice questions will be there. 1 hour time will be there. You attempt the weekly quiz, you attempt, okay, and you see your performance. Very simple. Okay. So anyway, so is this clear that 3 days Sachin will teach, 3 days Sachin will take live session, 3 days I will take the live session. Okay. So very simple.
Yeah.
If
Other
uh,
doubts? Yeah, Deepak.
So yeah, Tejas is asking some doubt that will automatically be covered in the video. Okay,
Yes.
so now yeah, Sachin, I am done. Yeah.
Okay. So Tejas, your doubt will be covered in just few seconds. Okay. Cool. So now let me go to the syllabus schedule, that how we are going to conduct all the subjects. What is the schedule for all the subjects? As most of you already might be knowing, but still I'm just telling you again. So first we will be starting our week with the fundamentals. So there will be just a fundamental course, which means that you will be learning few of the basic things that you might missed out in your 12th class, which means the how to sum the arithmetic progression, how to sum the geometric progression, or mix of them, or what are the properties of log, and there are many small things that we will be covering the fundamental. And the most important thing that we will be covering will be the proof techniques. So basically in the fundamentals, there will be the proof techniques, that how to prove something. So proof techniques will be there. Now, these proof techniques are not, are not required for the GATE exam, in the sense that they will not ask you to prove something, but this is required for your preparation. If you are studying something, then it is the best way that you know the reason behind it, so that you get to understand that thing very clearly. But for that, you need to prove it. So to prove, there are different techniques that we will be covering in the fundamental course only. Okay, so these will be covered in the fundamental course. Again, don't worry that GATE will not ask you to prove anything. They will just ask you that, okay, just do this. They will give you some theorem. They will just ask you true false question or something like that. I mean, they will not ask you to prove. They will be just asking the objective questions. But this is necessary for your preparation, not for the final objective question. Okay. But for the preparation, the reason behind it, you should be knowing the reason behind it, and we will be covering the proof techniques in the fundamental session. And then after that, we will be covering discrete mathematics and engineering mathematics in the parallel, as you can see the schedule. And then once engineering mathematics is over, I will start the C programming. So the schedule is like this: discrete mathematics, engineering mathematics, C programming. So basically, discrete and engineering will be in the parallel, because we are starting with the mathematics, because it's very crucial. Like once your mathematics is very clear, because the mathematics is applied in many of the other subjects. So once your mathematics is very clear, you will be comfortable in other subjects also. And then we will be starting with C programming, data structure, like this. Okay, the complete schedule is this. Let me know if there is any doubt in this schedule. Yeah, fundamentals will be 1 week. Yes, that is true. Okay, the simple schedule it is. Sir, we get the both subjects lectures every day. Yes, you will be getting, as I said, you will be getting 3 to 4 hours of lectures. So this will be basically 2 hours of Deepak lectures and 2 hours of my lectures. So it will be like this: 2 hours, 2 hours. You will be getting both subjects lectures every day. Okay. Live classes timing. Okay, so live classes timing, we have not 100% finalized on this, because some students are saying that, sir, please conduct it from 7:30. Some are saying please conduct it from 8. So we will just communicate in just, I think, 1 or 2 days. Okay, so either it will be 7:30 or 8, or maybe I don't know, like we might have a poll among all of you. Then we will be just deciding it. So we will just communicate in just 1 or 2 days. Yeah, Aryan, we will be just communicating in the group, and then we will take your opinion also.
I just want to mention, last year actually it was happening that the dinner time was coming in between the class. Okay, so this year we will make sure that the either before the dinner the class will be over, before the dinner time, or after the dinner time the class will start, because the class is going to be of only 1.5 hour. So during the class there will be no break. Okay, it will be a class without any break, because 1.5 hour, 1.5 hour live session. Okay, so that we can take in single go. Okay, so there will be no break in the live doubt session. Okay.
Right. Okay. Now this fundamental course will be live. So basically, like all the courses here, which will be having live and the practice session in the hybrid way. But this fundamental course will be the complete live course, because first week, if we come live, if we get to know you more, then it will be very beneficial to both of you. Both of us, to you also, to us also, right? So fundamental course will be live, and the timing will be just communicating in just 1 day. Okay, 1 or 2 days at max. Cool. Now, like most of you already know that who will be teaching you. Like I and Deepak will be teaching you. There won't be any other person who will be teaching you. So last year we have taken help from Vishal and Abdul sir. So Vishal and Abdul sir are basically our team member, and we have taken help from them. So Vishal is already all India rank 7, and he has completed his master from IISc, and then he has been to Amazon, and then after Amazon he is currently doing his PhD from IIT Delhi. So he holds very good credential, and similarly goes with the Abdul sir. But this time actually we will be taking all the courses. Reason being is that like we are more available to you guys. Although there was no issue, or there is no harm in taking the help in anyone else. But since we are more available to you guys, we are doing the full time. And the other team members, which are Vishal and Abdul sir, they are basically occupied with some other things. So that's why the doubt resolution, these things are basically may get delayed, like if we ask again help. So that's why we will be teaching all of the subjects. So
Actually,
yeah.
last year operating system was already taught by Sachin and Vishal. So there were for operating system, the complete operating system was taught by Vishal and also by Sachin. This year, the complete operating system will be taught by Sachin only. Okay, because also the Vishal's video will be available to you. Okay, so don't worry about it. But the point is very simple, that you only need to follow 2024 course. Okay, remember this point. You only have to follow GATE 2024 course, but GATE 2023 complete course, our last year complete course, will be available to you as a complimentary. Okay, if you want to study some subject which is in your semester, or if you want to study some subject because you are a repeater, so if you want to follow your own strategy, then be our guest. We don't have any problem. You can do that. Okay, you can watch our last year complete course. You can watch, no problem. But this is our suggestion to you, that you follow our GATE 2024 course. Also, one thing, last year, coming to computer organization, last year I taught pipeline. Okay, I could not teach the complete computer organization. Complete computer organization was taught by Abdul sir, but I taught pipeline. You can find my pipeline lectures on the YouTube channel. Also on the Go Classes YouTube channel, you can find my pipeline lectures. So have you seen those lectures? So I just want to tell you that the same quality, okay, the same quality you will get this year in the entire computer organization. The entire computer organization I will teach. The entire operating system Sachin will teach, and the remaining subjects we were anyway we were teaching. We both were teaching last year. Okay, so this year every course will be taught by Deepak, me, or Sachin sir. Okay.
Right. So although, as Deepak mentioned, that operating system was taken by me and Vishal, so I have taken all the PYQs of operating system that are also available on the YouTube. So there are like you will see that in the toppers interview, I'm sure that there will be many toppers who will say that the operating system PYQs videos were very very helpful, especially the multi-level paging, threads, and all. So there will be many toppers, and not just toppers, like all the students, those who have watched those lectures, pipeline lectures and operating system lectures, they will definitely vouch for it in the interview. You will see. Okay, cool. So I'm Sachin, as all of you might already be knowing, and I have passed out from IISc. And previously I was working at Amazon. Currently I'm at Go Classes, as all of you know, and I also achieved GATE All India Rank 33. Cool. Now, there will be a homework, as all of you know. So basically, after every lecture, or after every session, so we will be conducting 3-4 hours of recorded videos and one live session. So after every 3-4 hours of recorded videos, we will be giving you homework. Now this homework will be from the easy to moderate level. So basically, like, we will make sure that you are comfortable with the topic. The homework purpose is that you are comfortable with the topic. So don't worry, we will not be putting the hard questions or very very conceptual questions in the homework. Don't And also don't worry, like, conceptual questions will come. I will tell you where. But the homework purpose is to make you comfortable with the topic. Okay, make you more comfortable with the topic. So whatever we are teaching in the class, we will just frame easy, nice, well framed standard question, but it won't be very very tough, so that you are very comfortable with the topic. And then in the weekly quizzes, you will be seeing the complex and very very conceptual questions, and also there will be a practice set. So let me first cover about the homework. I hope this is clear, that this is the purpose of homework, is to make you comfortable with the topic that we are currently teaching. Okay, and that you will be getting daily. So daily means like after every video you will be getting. So daily homework you will be getting. And typically there will be 5 to 10 questions, sometimes 5 questions, sometimes 10 questions, sometimes maybe even greater than 5. So typically there will be 5 to 10 10 questions you will be getting the homework. Okay. Now, apart from the homework, you will be getting weekly quiz. So this weekly quiz is just like a major event in Go classes. So as Deepak told, the last year, most of the students, I can say all the students were very, very excited when we used to conduct weekly quiz. So let's suppose weekly quiz is on 5th of March, and then every student is very excited by the 3rd of March itself. They are saying that, okay, now the event is coming. It's like a festival for them. So now we will perform very good in the weekly quiz. And the reason is very simple. Can anyone guess that why they were excited in the weekly quiz? Any guesses? Why people were very excited in the weekly quiz? Because no, not because of the ranking. I mean, that's okay. And maybe I don't know. Not ranking competition. Yes, quality of the questions. Quality of the questions. Just because of the quality of the questions, they were very excited for the weekly quiz. They were like, okay, this bar weekly quiz, we will be attempting with more focus and we will be getting more concept. We will be solving more good questions, just like that. Okay, so they were very, very excited because of the quality of questions, because of the tricks and small things that we used to put in the weekly quiz. Very, very conceptual questions you will be getting in the weekly quiz, and the similar question you will be finding in the test series. So test series and weekly quiz will be completely filled with the conceptual questions. Even I can say in the weekly quizzes you may find little more conceptual than the test series, but the level will be almost same. But I can say slightly more conceptual questions will be there in the weekly quiz than the test series. Okay.
Actually, our weekly quizzes are so much conceptual that you will find our test series very easy. It happens.
Yeah.
In the weekly quiz, we don't we don't do any
Mercy.
mercy on you. Yeah, in the weekly quiz, we will not do any mercy on you. Like if you are expecting some easy questions will come, some moderate questions will come, like the GATE exam, it will not happen. Okay, in the weekly quiz, there will be 15 questions, and each question will be a nice question. Okay, even if it is a easy question, it will be, I can say, conceptual. Okay, so
Conceptual.
basically in the weekly quiz we are going to trouble you. Okay, please be ready for it, and don't worry about the marks of weekly quiz, because I am telling you that it will be the weekly quiz are going to be the conceptual ones. Okay, and it has happened, let me tell you, last year those students who were who had the habit of weekly quiz. Okay, so after the weekly quiz in the test series, they were performing very, very nicely. Let me tell you about our all India mock test. In the in our Go classes test series, we had 3 all India mock tests last year. In those 3 all India mock tests, there were, I think, in every mock test 700 students were there. Okay, 700 students attempted those 3 all India mock tests, and out of them, let me tell you, in the top 10, 8 students were Go classes students. So I was asking them that how did you find these all in a mock test? Like in the mock test you are performing very nicely. In the top 10, 8 students are from Go classes. Actually, this was their I can say this was their feedback, that in the weekly quiz they have solved so many conceptual questions that the test series is just a cakewalk for them. So again, I'm telling you, Go classes test series you will find very easy if you have attempted our weekly quizzes. Okay, if you have analyzed our weekly quizzes. So in the weekly quizzes we are not going to do any mercy. Homework will be very easy. Homework is just I can say just the replica of the lecture. In the lecture, did you understand the concept? Just to check that, we will give you the homework. But the weekly quiz will be conceptual. New question will come, we will define something new, you will have to do the analysis. So those type of questions will be there in the weekly quiz. So weekly quiz, we are really excited for weekly quizzes, because we have seen our last year students, they were very excited for the weekly quizzes. Okay.
Right. So just enjoy those weekly quizzes. Like, I mean, don't think that, okay, this week I have not prepared, so I will skip this. Don't do it ever. So anyway, you won't be able to skip it, because I and Deepak will be forcing you, literally forcing you to attempt the weekly quizzes. So you might not be able to skip it. Okay, even though you wanted it, but you might not be able to skip it, because we will be insisting you so much that you will be convinced that, okay, now I have to attempt the weekly quiz. Sir, बहुत हो गया, मैं attempt कर रहा हूँ. ठीक है, you will be just like that after our messages. Okay. So, yeah, this is one popular doubt that people are having, that what about the notes making? Will you be providing any notes and what will happen, right? So this is the one of the most popular doubt that you people are asking. So basically, we will be providing you annotated notes. Annotated notes means that whatever we are writing on the screen, see currently I'm writing on this screen, so you will be getting all of this, something like this. You will be getting all of these slides as a PDF format. So you will be getting annotated notes from our side. This is one thing. But the class notes is something another. Like, I mean, if we are teaching something, then you might want to write your own notes. That's something different. So we will be not writing for you. So I will come to that point. Basically, we will be providing the annotated notes for sure, and we encourage you to write your own notes, right? You write your own notes. That's the encouragement that we are giving to you. So write your own notes. But sometimes what happens that few of the students are very much occupied with some other work. Let's suppose they are having some exams, or they are having some office work or something like that. So few of the learners, few of the students are very much occupied with some other thing. So for them, what we are going to do, like, this is the encouragement that we are putting. But for the students who cannot actually make the notes because of some time bound limitation, what we are going to do, we are going to conduct like I can say some like we are going to ask some of the students to write the notes properly. So we will just announce it very soon. So what we are going to do, we will nominate, like, we will put a Google form. Okay, so Google form, basically you can nominate yourself. So it's like that, not we will nominate. Let me just tell you. So we will put a Google form there. You can fill that form, and if you, let's suppose, you are willing to write the notes nicely for others, so we will circulate a Google form. And here we will be asking you, are you willing to write the notes? Let's suppose currently engineering mathematics is going on. So we will be just asking you that how many of you are willing to write the engineering mathematics notes. Now let's suppose there are 10 entries that are coming. Okay, 10 entries that are coming, that they are saying that, sir, we will write the engineering mathematics notes nicely. Now what we will be doing, we will be having a competition among all those 10 people, and we will not entertain any other people. So those who are filling the Google form, only those people we will be entertaining for the final thing. Okay, for the final competition. So basically, let's suppose 10 entries are coming. Out of those 10, we will be rewarding 3 people for the best notes. And then like, we will be circulating the other information later. And but for now, I'm telling you in the brief. So we will be selecting 3 people, and then we will be providing some price. Okay, some decent enough price, so that they feel good, like, because they are putting a very much good amount of hard work, so they will also feel good, and this will be beneficial for all of them. So that's what we will be doing. Okay, but again, we are encouraging you to write your own notes. Now just to make sure that everyone is not participating in this competition or in this event, that's why we will be just nominating 10 entries, maybe first 10 entries or something like that. I mean, based on the handwriting or something like that, we will be just seeing that what we can do. But we will not ask everyone of you to participate, because it will be just a waste of time for many others. So we will not be asking any of everyone of you to participate in this particular event. Just few of the people, maybe 10 people, we will just nominate, and then out of those 10 people, we will just pricing for 3 people, so that it is actually helpful for all of them, all of you, that you will be getting a nice compiled notes. So what is the benefit of the notes currently? Like, I mean, we are teaching now. Currently you might think that, okay, you don't need notes, you can, I mean, you can remember all of the things. But later, at the time of revision, you will think that, okay, what if I, like, I mean, you will thinking that I could have made the notes, or I could have at least wrote some of the hints, right? I mean, I should not have watched the lecture just like a movie. So basically, just to make sure that your revision is getting very proper, we will be conducting this event. We will be circulating the notes, and that will be helpful for all of you, and that will actually be very, very helpful for the revision. So for the revision, you will find it very helpful. Okay.
So
Yes, Deep.
actually, Saswat is saying one thing, that the same thing actually I also agree. Your own notes, your own handwritten notes, there is no comparison of that. Okay, but it is our responsibility that we should provide you annotated notes. We are providing. Last year also we provided. Okay, this year we will provide you the handwritten notes. Also we will provide you, and also we will ask our last year toppers. You know, Sisir, Himanshu Datta, okay, Anjali. So there are many of our last year toppers. We will ask them to provide their handwritten notes. Okay, so those things we will do. But let me tell you, if we provide you handwritten notes of all India rank 1 also, then also let me tell you, there is no comparison of your own written
Right.
notes. Okay, but But the point is simple. If you do not have time, if you are preparing alongside with job, and if you are having trouble managing the time, then you can take the help of annotated notes. Then you can take the help of handwritten notes that we will provide you. Okay. Okay. But if you have time, then create your own notes. There is no comparison of that.
Yes. So yeah, you should be writing your own notes again. But to help all of you, we will be having this kind of strategy, and this will I'm sure that this will help every one of you. Okay. Now let me move further. Now, how to best use Go classes, right? So let me talk about it. That how to best use Go classes. So basically, I mean, let me just summarize all of the things that how to best make use of the Go classes. Watch lectures with sync. Okay, which means whatever we are teaching, just I mean, just do all of those lectures completion on that day only. So watch lectures in sync, ask doubts, come to live sessions. Okay, sorry. Anyway, this is short, right? This is short sessions. So come to live sessions, solve other doubts. This is also very, very important. Solve others' doubts. So last year, if you see some of the toppers, like how they got to improve their analytical skills by solving other doubts. If you're getting some doubt on the Telegram, if you're solving that, then automatically you will be learning something. That I'm 101% sure. That solve other doubts, you will be eventually be learning something. So this is also very, very crucial. Write your own answers on GATEOverflow. So many of the toppers are writing their answers, and then eventually like they are performing very, very good in the weekly test and then the test series and all. So this is also very important point, that if you write your own answers on the GATEOverflow, then automatically you will be learning many new things. So that's why let me just mention this, that write your own answer on the on the GATEOverflow. Write answers on GATEOverflow or comment it out. Okay, if you are thinking that you can contribute to some of the answer, then you can just comment on some of the answer. If you're thinking that okay, that's where I can contribute, then just comment out. So basically, watch lectures, ask doubts, and do not hesitate to come forward. If you are having any problem, just let us know. Okay, ultimately we are here to help you, so just let us know. So one more thing. See, now there will be many toppers that are coming in top 300, top 100, top 30, something like that, right? So now you may think that okay, finally I came to the very nice place, which is Go classes. Now my rank is for sure. I will be getting the top rank just like this year. Like I will also be getting top rank, top 100, top 500. Because everyone is saying that Go classes is teaching with proof. Go classes is telling many examples. Go classes is giving you intuition behind every of the thing, and Go classes is teaching you so nicely that you will be getting the rank. So that's not true. I mean, Go classes is doing that, but until and unless you do your own work, you cannot get a rank. So like it might sound little harsh, but let me just tell you that you should be behaving like a topper, which means that don't create unnecessary noise in the groups, in the like in the non-technical chats and like that. I mean, once in a while it is okay, but just behave like a topper, which means solve other doubts, ask doubts, and then just write down that okay, where you are stuck, something like this. Just ask, just help everyone, and then get help by yours. I mean, get help from others also. So basically, just behave like a topper. Just let us know where you are stuck, and just be with us in the preparation. If you are feeling that okay, sometimes you may think that okay, this concept is even though we are teaching with many examples, still you are feeling that okay, you are not able to digest that concept, then just let us know that okay, just there is no fear in that. Just let us know, sir, that even though you told these examples, you told 10 examples about this concept, still I'm not able to digest it. Can you just solve few more examples? Then we will tell you that okay, let's do one thing, let's have one more session for this particular topic. So basically, what we will be doing, we will just taking feedback from you, and based on that feedback we will be working. Which means if you are having any problem, if you are having any doubt, then we will see that what is the best way possible for us to resolve that. So just cooperate with us. Okay, if sometimes what may happen, if you are asking some doubt, let's suppose to me or to Deepak or in the group, and then let's suppose that you have not got any response, then just cooperate with us. Maybe just remind us that, okay, sir, I sent you a doubt, then you have not solved it yet. Then can you please solve it? Okay, and let's suppose even on the on the remind, like we may like I mean, it won't happen, but suppose that in rare to rare case that we may miss your next question again or your next message again, then just drop us a mail, because we will never miss a mail. Okay, just drop us a mail. So be in the front foot. Let us know that where you are having the problem, because if you are on the back foot, if you do not communicate, then it will be very hard for us, and it actually later it actually hurt us. It actually very discouraging to us that, okay, we were not able to solve that kind of problem to any of the student. Not just we are not just that, okay, it was a topper or it was a problem for many students, and or something like that. If it is a problem for any single student, then it is actually problem, because it is not just like that you are paying something to a coaching and then we are just doing a formality. No, we are here to make sure that you get the top rank, whatever it takes for us. Okay.
Actually, what is happening? See, we are telling you that if your doubt, like, see, we are telling you about the doubt resolution many times. The reason is simple, because we really do not want to miss any of your doubt. Okay, so even if even if you are like, okay, so that doubt is still pending. Okay, so let it go. No, we don't want that doubt to let go, because in the gate exam anything can happen. You remember Sachin? So Sachin wanted to put one question, you know, that FCFS question. Okay,
Yes.
Sachin wanted to put that question in all India mock test. Okay,
Right.
and Sachin said that I did not put that question in the all India mock test because I was like Sachin was thinking that students will get demotivated because suddenly they will
They will see some new concept
suddenly they will learn something which they have
which
I
are
can
not
say
conventional,
wrongly,
basically.
which they have wrongly studied for a very long time, and
Right.
suddenly they will see the correct concept. They will not be able to digest. Okay, they will not be able to convince themselves what is happening. Then they will blame Go classes, that see, Go classes is giving wrong answer. Go classes is saying that FCFS will give starvation. This is Go classes. So basically, let me tell you, we were also feeling that should we so Sachin finally did not put that question, and that question came in the gate exam. So really we were I can say frustrated that, okay, we should have put that question in the test series. But anyway, the point is simple, that every doubt matters. Maybe there is a pending doubt that you are thinking, okay, this is one pending doubt. I have 10 doubts, 9 doubts are resolved, this is one pending doubt, let it go. Don't let it go, because now we know the value of one doubt. Okay, we know the value of one question. So that value we have understood, and we want you to understand. So whatever is your doubt, okay, whatever is your pending doubt, please ask us, send us a message, send us on mail, remind us, you can call us, you can schedule a call with us. But the point is simple, don't keep any doubt unresolved. Okay, make sure in the this Go class is like a family. Make sure that you get all your doubts resolved. Okay, very simple.
Right, right. So basically, honestly, I'm telling you that what is the best way to get help from others is to help them. So if you are just like, don't mind it, but if you are just asking the doubts, you are not helping others, then others might not also be interested to solve your doubts, right? I mean, as a coaching, we will make sure that your doubts get resolved. We will make sure by hook and crook your doubt get resolved, other by other student or by us. Like, we will make sure that. Don't worry about it. But if you are thinking that, okay, you get more exposure to your doubts, you get more answers, you get more analysis on your question, then you should be helping others, right? If you are just there to put your doubts and you are not helping anyone, then after maybe 2-3 months, people will just get to understand that, okay, this person never help anyone. This is just here to ask doubt. Then maybe like, if that I mean, some of the people might lose the interest in solving your doubt. But don't worry, like, we are here to solve your doubt. Even though you just ask us your doubt on the Telegram or mail or whatever, wherever you ask us your doubt, we will definitely solve it. We will make sure your doubt is solved. But if you want that other people get interested in your doubt, then you should also be helping. And this is just not their help you are doing. This is help to yourself. If you're solving some other's doubt, then definitely you will be learning something new. So just help others and get help from others. So that's the best way. Okay, and also write the answers or the comments on the GATEOverflow. The more you write, you will just get to know. Okay, don't, if you don't believe me, just do it for 1 or 2 months. You will get to know in 1 or 2 months that how much your answer writing ability, how much your thinking ability, or how much ability to approach a question is increasing day by day. See, when I was preparing for gate, like, since you are very new, you might not have seen gate or flow too much. When I was preparing for gate, I put many of the comments. Similarly, Deepak also put many of the answers, and detailed answers Deepak has put, with detailed comments Deepak has put. And it is it, like, obviously, like, when we were preparing for gate, it was our intention was not to help. I mean, it was not that we are helping someone else. We were just like that, we were enjoying it, enjoying the process, because we were learning many new things from those answers when we were writing the answers. So there are many answers, I cannot go in the detail, but there are many answers, like, I do not like remember the particular question, but there are many answers that when I'm writing the answer, at that time I have some other solution in my mind, that okay, I will write the answer in that way because that's the solution. But while writing the answer, okay, then I got to know, oh, no, the better approach is this one. Then I'm writing, and then at the end I got to know, oh, no, the best approach is this one. So basically, while writing your answer, you will get to know the approach by yourself, that okay, you could have solved this question in other way also. So just spend some time in your doubts, and spend some time in writing the answers. You will get to improve many things. I'm not saying that you answer on the GATEOverflow daily, or 3 hours, 4 hours. No, once in a while. Okay, once in 2 3 days, 4 days, you just write one answer on the GATEOverflow, one comment on the GATEOverflow, nice comment, nice answer. You will get the recognition in the community, that everyone will recognize that okay, you are writing the answers, you are writing the comments. So just help others, get help from others. Okay, cool. This is how you can best make use of the Go classes. Again, just one last line, just let us know. Just let us know. Okay, if you are having any problem, just let us know before it's too late. Don't say after the gate exam that I was facing this problem. Okay, before the gate exam, while we are preparing, if you just let us know, then we will be resolving it. I mean, there is no point in communicating after everything is over. So the one more last thing is that you should be attending the test series. The test series is not yet released. We will be releasing it by 15th of April, and that is separate, as all of you know. Like, you have to register it separately. Now, test series purpose is that like, we will be putting the subject wise questions, or subject wise test, or the topic wise test in the test series. And the purpose of the test series is that we will be making sure that you understand everything in depth, which means that we will be giving the homework questions, right? For the practice, we will be giving your practice questions. Apart from the homework question, we will be also providing the practice questions. We will be providing the weekly quizzes. So this is in the course, but separately we will be giving the test series. The purpose of all of this is basically that you understand everything so nicely that you can answer any of the new question very calmly, very quickly. Okay, if you solve all of this, see, this is not just another coaching, or this is not just another set of questions. These all the questions, like, you will be like, we will be taking the interview of the test series toppers. You will get to know that what is the Go classes test series. Okay, you will get to know by yourself what is the Go classes weekly quizzes, what is the Go classes test series. So basically, we will be putting very nice question, very conceptual question. You will definitely enjoy it. So just follow the test series in the sync. So the schedule of the test series, we will roll it out, and it will be sync with the in the courses that we are currently providing. Which means that if currently discrete mathematics is going on, then in the test series schedule also discrete mathematics test will be there. So there will be subject wise test, there will be topic wise test, there will be mixed subject test, there will be full mock test. All the type of tests will be there in the test series.
Also, let me tell you one thing. Only test series is not part of the complete course. Okay, so
Yeah.
for the test series, you have to enroll separately. Okay, in the complete course, once you enroll for the GATE 2024 complete course, you will get everything. You will get weekly quizzes, revision session, practice session, everything you will get. Okay, whatever we come up with. Okay, tomorrow if we create some new package, some new idea, if we get, and if we create something new, that also you will get for free. Okay, so you are always going to get everything that we do in Go classes for free. You will get everything. Okay, every service. But the test series, you need to enroll separately. Okay, the test series will launch in the month of April. Okay, so at that time you can enroll for the test series, and you can basically, as Sachin is saying, test series schedule will be same as our Go classes course schedule. Okay, So you can very easily attempt the test series. Very simple.
Right.
Okay.
We will make sure that that you attempt the test series timely. Okay. We will be putting the reminder also that have you attempted this test or not. So just follow our schedule and don't have any doubt. I mean, trust us. With for 1 month, then you never have to trust. I mean, you never have to force yourself to trust us. Just trust us for 1 month, and then you automatically convinced that okay, this is the best place where I am in. Okay. So the test series you should be attempting in the sync. Yeah. Now one more thing that people are thinking that okay, weekly quizzes are there for the ranking, weekly quizzes are there for the marks and all. No, that's not the purpose of the weekly quiz. I mean, that might be the motivation for you. I cannot deny it. And if you want to have that motivation, just have it. No problem in that. I mean, there is no issue if your marks or the ranks are motivation. That's okay. But for our thing, we want to make it clear that our purpose is not to not give you the marks, to not give you the rank. Our purpose is to make sure that you understand everything clearly, because it is the preparation phase. Okay, if you are getting less marks in the weekly quiz, if you are getting less marks in the test series, it is too early. It is extremely too early to judge yourself. It is just a part of preparation where you will be getting less marks. You will definitely be getting less marks. I mean, because the questions are of that nature. And since you are attempting questions first time, since you are learning the concept first time, automatically you will be getting less marks. So there is no problem in that. So our purpose is not to make sure that you should get more marks, or you should be getting more rank in the test series. No, that's not our purpose. Our purpose is analysis. Okay, we will be providing the weekly quiz, and we will make sure that you analyze every question very properly. You understand that what we wanted to ask, how you attempted that question. Okay, and what was the wrong thing that you have done in that question, what could have been the better thing that you have done, you could have done that in that question, something like that. So basically, do the complete analysis of the test series. Do not run behind the marks. And see, for the test series and weekly quiz, I'm telling you again, because this will be a doubt for many of the students. For the test series and weekly quiz, till I can say till the syllabus completion, do not worry about the marks. Okay, till syllabus completion, which means October end, do not worry about the marks. Do not worry at all, because you are learning first time. How you can expect that you will be topping in the test? Do not worry.
You can think about the marks in the mock test. Mock
Yeah.
tests are there. Okay, there will be more mock tests this year. Last year we had total 15 mock tests in the GATEOverflow and Go Classes test series. This year there will be more mock tests, and I think maybe 18 or 20 mock tests will be there. In those mock tests, you can judge yourself based on marks. Okay, that is your choice. But before that, do not do that. Okay, before that, every weekly quiz, every test series, every subject test, topic test, okay, any test. Okay, please focus on improvement. One more thing I want to tell you: who gets benefited by a test, the topper or the person who is getting 10 marks? Can you tell me? Like, if you attempt one test and there is one person who is getting 25 out of 25 and another person is getting 10 out of 25, that test, okay, that test will improve that 10 mark person. Because see, when I am attempting a test, if I am correcting all the questions, then it simply means in that particular test I did not improve. In that particular test, I have applied my previous knowledge. Okay, I got 25 out of 25. So basically, I did not improve from that test. Okay, that test did not give me any improvement. But if I'm getting 10 marks in that test, then that particular test will give me a lot of improvement. Okay, the questions that I did wrong, I will do the analysis of those questions. I will improve my knowledge. Okay, slowly, see, improvement will happen, right? So again, I'm telling you, if you are getting low marks in the weekly quizzes, if you get the low marks in the subject test, topic test, then that is good. That is good, because you will at least improve. Okay, if you keep getting the top marks, then simply it means that you are not getting any benefit from the test series. Okay, the test series is not of any benefit for you. Okay, so that is a simple thing I want to tell you, that improvement is very necessary. Please keep
Right.
improving. Okay, and only think about improvement. Did I improve before giving the test, and after giving the test? What is the difference between my knowledge? Very simple.
Right, true. And also in the test, in the weekly quizzes, what may so happen that some of the students will be constantly getting top marks, and some of the students may not be able to perform good. Then do not compare yourself with others, because you do not know their background. So, like for example, like I don't know, Gaurav Raj Purohit has the his gate related background. But for example, let's suppose Gaurav has been preparing for 1 year, and he is already good with some subject, or he is already good with most of the subjects, let's suppose. Okay, then do not then Gaurav will automatically be getting good marks in the test series or in the weekly quizzes. Then do not think that, okay, how Gaurav is getting and how I'm not getting. See, you do not know their background, right? And even though the background is same, which means even though you are preparing first time, he is preparing first time, then also the marks might differ, because everyone has the different pace to learn. But since we have enough time, just trust yourself, trust Go Classes. We will make sure that you get top rank if you're with us. So don't compare yourself with others. This is very important. Okay, like don't chase the ranking for the weekly test and the test in the subject wise test. If you want to chase the ranking, you can do it. Although I and Deepak do not encourage there also, but you can do it in the mock test, because at that time your syllabus will get completed, and then you have learned one time, and then you are attempting the mock test. Then it is fair to think that, okay, why I'm not able to solve that question. But if you're solving the kind of question very first time in the weekly quiz or the subject matter test, then it is not very fair to judge yourself like, okay, why I'm not able to attempt that question, because you're solving it first time. It will take time, right? It will take time. So just don't compare yourself with others. Don't worry about the marks in the weekly quizzes and in the subject by test or the topic wise test. Okay, cool. Yeah. So monthly guidance session, as I already talked about, there will be a monthly guidance session where we will be having a general chit chat that, okay, how your study is going on and how you can improve on some of the things and so on. Okay. So we will be having monthly guidance session, and in monthly guidance session, we will be inviting our alumni. Okay. We will be inviting. So we will be inviting Anjali. We will be inviting Himanshu Datta. Those who have done really great in the GATE 2023, and those who made it to IITs, or maybe if they are not able to did well, then what were the mistakes that they have done. So we will be inviting all the type of alumni in the monthly guidance session. Okay, so that you can ask that, okay, how to cope up with the Go classes, how to make best use of the Go classes. Yeah. So one more last thing, which is that you can do one thing. If you want to recommend Go classes to others, because you will be learning many new things, you will be thinking that, okay, why not I recommend it to others, right? So that everyone get benefited from the classes, and you will be also be having the more people. You will be also be having the more discussion. So you can do it, and you can do it, and you can earn some money using that, which means you can become a partner. Let me just tell you what is the process of that. You just go to your profile. Okay, for example, like I went to my profile, Sachin Mittal. Here on the bottom, okay, maybe let me just zoom it little out. So basically, here on the bottom, you will be seeing become a partner option. So there you will be seeing become a partner option. So if you go to your profile, you click on the become a partner. Then after click on the become a partner, you will be redirected to one page. There it will generate one code. Okay, it will generate one code, right? So it will generate one code. You just send us the code. Okay, so the process is that you click on the become a partner. It will get you the code, but the code is not activated yet. Okay, so you get a code. It is not activated yet. It is not yet activated. You just send us the code. Okay, you just mail us the code and say, please activate my code. Please activate my code, and then we will activate it. Then once anyone uses your code, you will be getting some cashback. You will get I don't remember the exact amount, but I think it will be around 1000 or something. Deepak, do you remember the exact amount?
Yeah, so basically you will get 4.5% cashback. Okay, okay, let me make it clear. So you will basically get an affiliate code, or you can say referral code. Okay. Using that referral code, if anyone enrolls in the complete course, it will only be applicable on the complete course. So the referral code, the affiliate code will not work on the individual courses. Okay. It will work only on the complete course. So if anyone enrolls the complete course using your referral code, then that person who is enrolling, that person will get 4% discount, and you will get 4.5% cashback, 4.5% cashback of the amount that we will receive. Okay. So basically, like if we receive, let's assume X amount, then you will receive 4.5% of X. Simple. Okay. So, and this referral code, let me tell you, this is just a facility that we are providing to our enrolled students, so that you can also earn something. Okay. And you can also help other students to get discount. You will also get a cashback, a good 4.5% cashback. You will also get. One more thing I want to tell you, that see, please don't spam in the group. Okay. Please don't spam in the Telegram group, in the Go Classes or GATEOverflow Telegram group. Don't spam there. Okay. What you can do, if someone is asking that, let's assume there is a message that please give me promo code, then you can give. Right? Or what you can do, you can write on Quora. Okay. So on some 3 or 4 questions related to Go Classes, related to Gate CSE. Okay. Gate CSE, Go Classes, these type of questions, if you see, you can write an answer there. Okay. You can write a detailed answer, you can write, and you can put your promo code at the bottom. This is what you can do. You can write your honest, genuine answer of that question, your honest answer, followed by your promo code. Okay. So what will happen, you will write your answer only one time, and after that, people will keep using your code. Okay. You will keep getting the cashback after that. Okay. So you will write your answer only one time, right? You will not be writing again and again and again, because write it once, then people will use it throughout the year. People will use it, and you will keep getting your cashback. Whenever someone will use your promo code, you will get a notification. So don't worry about it. You don't have to worry about it. Okay. You will get a notification. You can check your commission also in your profile. You can, in the sales, you can go in the sales, you will find the commission also, how many people used your referral code, how much cashback you are getting. So these things also you will find. Simple. Okay. So I want that you don't waste your time in the referral code sharing. This is what I want. You focus on your GATE exam. Your main purpose is GATE 2024. You focus on that. But what you can do, you can write a genuine review on the Quora for some 3 or 4 questions related to Go Classes, related to GATE CSE. So these type of questions you can find on Quora. Okay. You can write an answer, your honest answer, followed by your promo code, and that's it. And what you can do, once you write your answer on the Quora, okay, related to Go Classes, if any answer you write, okay, you can share that in the private group. In the private group, you can share that, so that we will ask all the students to give you upwards. Okay. We will make sure that we will try, like from our side, we will try that our enrolled students, they will upvote your answer, so that your answer will get, get on the top of the Quora. Very simple. So we are also going to help you, but don't waste your time. Don't spam. If you spam, it is not good for you also, because you are wasting your time. Okay. You should focus on your learning. You should focus on your study. Okay. Very simple. So this is some suggestion that if you want details, then let me tell you, there is one video in the general session. Sachin, can you please write on the in the new slide, can you write, see, go to my courses. In the mic, or what we can do, Sachin, shall we create a enrolled student general session? We can create, right? For only enrolled students.
Okay.
Yeah.
We can do it, right?
So what we will do today, we will do this today or tomorrow. We will do this. We will create a folder, general session folder. We will create, and that folder will be only available for you. Okay. That folder, those videos only you can see. In that folder, we will put these type of sessions, all our meetup sessions, monthly guidance sessions, this orientation session, the previous sessions. So basically all these non-technical discussions that we are having, these meetup sessions that we are having, all these will be available in this general meeting session. This folder will be available in your GATE 2024 folder. right? Very simple. Okay, so here you will find all the non-technical discussion between us and you. Okay, so this is our, I can say, general meeting for enrolled students. Here you will find all the videos. Very simple.
Right. So best way to share the answer, your code is basically you write your genuine feedback. We are not saying that okay unnecessarily put so much of praise of the Go classes. If you really think that okay it deserves some praise, then write your genuine answer on the Quora and just share your code at the end of the answer. Once you write one answer, then people will be keep on using the Quora answer. But you, I mean your code later, and you will keep on receiving the money for the lifetime. I mean lifetime is till Go classes is on. You will be receiving the money. You will receiving the cashback. Okay. Yeah. So now this is our homepage, and here what you can do, so basically if you go to the homepage, then you will be seeing join Telegram option. You can join the public Telegram. You will see the download app option. There you can download the app. So you can do these two things, and then okay dashboard won't be there. So I mean okay, this dashboard thing won't be there. This is for the admin, so this won't be there in your account. But yeah, you can join the Telegram group. You can join
And
you can download our app using these two
and
options.
also the test series link will be available here once the test series will launch.
Yeah.
Once we launch the test series, we will launch the test series in the month of April. Okay, from 15th April it will start. We will create a video on the YouTube channel, on the Go Classes YouTube channel. We will create a video. Okay, so you can join our Go Class. You can subscribe to Go Classes YouTube channel. The link is in the homepage. This homepage contains all the links like this. As you can see on top, you can see join Telegram. That is our public Telegram group, Go Classes public Telegram group. Okay, also test series link will be there. Also you can see download application. So from there you can click and you can download the Android application. Also the YouTube link, the LinkedIn link, Instagram link. So all the links are available on the homepage. Okay, if you want to join, you can join. All our, actually this is small thing I want to tell you, that all our social media channels are active. Every day we post. Sometimes we post memes, some gate related memes, some computer science related memes. So basically all these things are we keep posting. Actually I and Sachin, we don't do that. Okay, we have a team. So we have a separate team, and that team does, I can say that there is a social media handling team, and they will do this. Okay, so they will create memes, they will create poster, all these things they will do, and they will post on the Go Classes social media. So you can, if you want, that is your choice. Okay, there is no, these things are not mandatory. If you want, you can follow Go Classes on LinkedIn, Instagram, Telegram, or whatever, like all the things that are there.
Yeah, and just follow us on the LinkedIn also. You will be finding many memes there.
Yes, LinkedIn actually you can do. Okay, this is my recommendation, that on LinkedIn you can definitely follow us. So many, I can say, all the announcements, they will immediately happen there. Okay, we are very active on LinkedIn. So on the LinkedIn Go Classes channel has more than 2,000 followers. Okay, so we keep providing all the announcements on the LinkedIn also. Okay, so and also all the memes, all the computer science memes, Go Classes memes, all the important information. Okay, so all the things you will find on the Go Classes LinkedIn channel. You can follow us there. Okay, anyway.
Yes. Okay. So I think we are almost done. So let us take some of the doubts that you're having.
So all the slides are over?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay. So if now if anyone has any doubt, you can ask. Like let me go. I can say from bottom. Let me go. Aryan is asking, will there be a separate group for 2024 students? So this we have already covered. This doubt, Aryan, your doubt we have already answered in this session in the beginning. There will be two groups for enrolled students. There will be two groups. One group will be only for doubt discussion, only for question discussion. No other talk will happen, no other non-technical talks will happen. Okay, only questions we will discuss in the group. So there is one group where we will discuss only questions. There is another group where all our previous students are also there. Okay, our basically alumni group. We will create Go Classes alumni group. In that group, all our previous toppers will be there. Our GATE 2023 toppers, our GATE 2022 toppers. So our previous toppers also will be there. Okay, in that group you can discuss, you can put memes. Okay, so basically that will be a very, I can say, chit chat group. Okay, in that group our alumni will be there. They will provide you some motivation. If we want to talk some motivational things, if we want to talk, we will talk in that group. Remember, so there are two groups. One is question only group. In the question only group, we will not provide you any motivation, we will only discuss questions. But there is another group, Go Classes alumni group, we will create today, we will create. And in that group, we will do all the motivation memes, I can say any chit chat, any conversation with our previous toppers, guidance, all the things will happen in that group. I hope that is clear.
Yes. Okay. So Sania is asking, hi sir, I'm working and my shift is 8 a.m. to 5:45 p.m. Sir, possible please help me in the time management. I'm little tense about it. How I will manage and all. And my name is Sohib and this is my sister's account. Okay. So Sohib, I can say, see, I completely agree with you that I mean, you will be getting lesser time compared to the students who is going to prepare full time. So that will for sure happen. And this is not just you who will be working and doing the preparation. There will be many students along with you this year also, and last year also there are many toppers, and last to last year also there were many toppers. So last to last year, like the toppers like Himali Seni, who was doing the internship and the fourth year work with the internship, and then gate preparation, and then Subham was there, Hers was there. There were many students who did the same thing. Then, as you can see the pattern that there were many people who have done it. Then you can also do it. Just one thing is that you should be the consistent. Okay, you should be consistent in your preparation. That's the only thing. Now, what may so happen that if you are getting the overwhelming work in your office, then you can just do one of the thing. You don't leave the preparation for that particular time completely. Just do one of the thing, which is that just follow one of the subject for that particular duration. Let's suppose for the upcoming month you are having some deadline and you want to be able to put much amount of the work in the gate preparation. Then just do one of the subject with us. Okay, either the subject that is currently being taught by me or by Deepak, and on the weekend try to spend more time. That's the best way to cope up, or to best way to make use of the Go classes with your office work. Okay, so that's what you have to do it, and we are here to help you. If you are having any problem in that, if you are having any issue, then we will just answer it. We will see that what we can do for you to make sure that you are actually preparing in the best possible way.
So actually,
Okay.
see, some students, if you are preparing a job, you are thinking, can I crack it? If someone is preparing first time, then they are thinking, can I crack it? Someone is preparing with third year, they are thinking, can I crack it? Someone who has age of more than 30 years age, they are thinking, can I crack it? So basically, all the people are having this doubt. They keep having this doubt. Can I crack the GATE exam? Let me tell you the simple answer, factual answer. The fact, let me give you, all the people crack GATE exam. See, when you see the top 100 rankers, okay, every year this happens. Every year you see the top 100 rankers, at least 30 students are preparing with job. At least maybe 20 or 30 students, at least. More than that can be possible, but at least 20 or 30 students have cracked top 100 rank. Every year they are cracking top 100 rank with I can say with job. At least I can say 20 students or 30 students are cracking the GATE exam with third year, final year. Okay, so first timer, second timer, fifth timer, 10th timer, all the type of toppers are available. Okay, so you don't have to think, see, I'm preparing first time, can I crack it? Of course you can. Okay, many, almost 30% toppers will be first timers. Okay, the remaining 30% will be second timer. And there will be some toppers in the remaining toppers. There will be, I can say, third timer, fourth timer, fifth timer. Okay, so there will be basically complete, I can say, the distribution is very nice. Okay, the students who are preparing alongside with job, students who are preparing alongside with semester, all the type of students are there. Okay, all of them are topping the GATE exam, cracking the GATE exam with the top rank, top 100 or top 200 rank they are getting. Our student, like you can see Jaskaran Singh. So he also prepared. He got all India rank 82. He is in IIT Delhi right now. He prepared with job. Subham, our student, all India rank 23. he prepared with job. You can see his interview on the Go Classes YouTube channel. Okay, so Himali, Mitesh, all India rank 10. They cracked GATE exam with college with their semester. Mitesh got all India rank 10 with the third year. Okay, so I can give you many examples. You tell me one scenario, I will give you one example, that whatever situation you are right now, okay, whatever situation in which you are right now, in that situation, many people have cracked GATE exam with the top rank. That's the simple answer. Okay, whatever situation you create for yourself, whatever situation you are in right now, in that situation, many people have cracked top rank in the GATE exam.
Right.
Yes, Robin is saying very nice thing. Be the example. Yes, you also can be the example. Next year we will say that, for example, I can say next year we will say Robin cracked the GATE exam in the first, I can say, in the first attempt. Next year we will say that Snehas cracked the GATE exam in the second attempt. So these type of examples we will also give. We will say that Twinkle cracked the GATE exam, in the second attempt. Okay, so these type of examples we will also give. You be the example. Very simple. Okay, so, and let me tell you about myself. Let me tell you, I cracked GATE exam in my second attempt. I got all India rank 67 in the second attempt. Okay, so very many examples are there. Very simple. Okay, and Namita, there is a all India rank 1. Namita, in 2018, she got all India rank 1. She is my friend, and she cracked the GATE exam all India rank 1 in the first time. In the 8 or 9 months she prepared, in the first time she got all India rank 1. So please don't make excuses. Very simple. You are making excuses. I am first timer, I am third year, I'm preparing with job, I'm preparing with semester. Okay, I'm old, I'm 36-year-old. All these are excuses. Whatever situation you are in right now, in that situation, many people before you have cracked top rank in the GATE exam. So please, these are just, I can say, maybe you can take 1 year, maybe you can take 2 years. It is possible that you are preparing with job, so maybe you can crack GATE exam in first time, or maybe second time, or maybe third time, but definitely you can crack the GATE exam, and you can go to your, I can say, desired institute.
Right. True. So some of the questions I have just answered it in the text format. So I hope you go to answers. Let me take some other questions. So Aryan is asking that Sachin sir, Deepak sir, a very important piece of advice I need. Okay, as you can see on the screen. Okay, let me just copy that question here. So he is saying that a very important piece of advice I need from both of you. Is it good to make your own notes when we are preparing for GATE along with job? When we take notes with lecture, 4 hours lecture needs 6 to 7 hours with the job. We have 4 hours maximum for a day. So yes, I actually like, if you do, as we told, that if you do not have enough time, then you just make use of others notes. Okay, we will be sharing the others note, and then you just make use of that. We will share others notes. Just make use of that, no problem. Okay, and also just write some hints. Do not completely watch a lecture without a pen and paper. You just take a copy, just write some hints. Okay, do not just completely skip writing. Just write something. Okay, write some hint. Just have a copy proper, and then write some hints, write some formulas, or whatever you think that, okay, it is nice thing. Just note it down. Do not need to note it down everything, because anyway we will be sharing. Most probably people will be interested to nominate themselves, and we will be sharing the notes of others. Most probably this will happen. I think that out of many students, at least 2-3 people will be interested, and then you can make use of their notes. Okay.
Twinkle, you can keep I can say, thick notebook for every subject. Okay, so we cannot these type of things we cannot decide before starting the course. How can we decide that our course will contain only 200 pages? These type of things we cannot decide, because we keep upgrading the course. Like, we can give you maybe 40 more examples in one particular topic than last year. Okay, for example, if there is a topic, maybe decidability, last year if I did 100 examples, then maybe this year I will do 200 examples. So this can happen. So please, like, these type of things we cannot decide before the course. Okay, you can keep a thick notebook for every course, for every subject.
Yeah. Right. So basically, we cannot give you any estimate about the thickness of notebook. So what you can do, you if you are finding it okay, your notebook is over, then commonly you can take another notebook. You can just continue on the another notebook, right? Supuruj is asking that during semester exams and stuff, how can we finish our daily work, go classes work, and be up to date daily? I know this is kind of silly, but still, yeah. There, I will say that you might not be able to do it. I mean, there will be a time when you have to prioritize some of the things like semester exam and other things. So what you can do, I mean, see, you cannot do it. I mean, I cannot give you the false impression that okay, you can still do it. How you can do it if you have the next day exam, right? If you have the next day semester exam, obviously you will be studying for that. So at that time you cannot do it, but leave that topic for now. And then once your exams are over, then you can do one thing. You just be in sync with us, which means whatever we are teaching you. Okay, this is everyone. Please listen it very, very carefully. So whenever you are not able to study something, okay, whenever some topic is getting skipped by your choice or by not of your choice, by any chance you are skipping some topic, then don't miss the thing. Which means whatever we are teaching daily, just consume that content daily, and whatever you have left out, do it on your free time. Which means if currently I am teaching, let's suppose algorithms, then don't do data structures, don't do C programming, don't do engine mathematics at your own, and keep on missing the algorithms lecture. Don't do it. If I'm currently teaching algorithms, do algorithms lectures daily. And if you have missed out something, let's suppose you have missed out some portion in C programming, then do it at your free time. Do it on the Wednesday, do it on the Saturday, Sunday, whatever, wherever you want to do. So do it on a free time, but don't miss on the sync. It is very important. Why? Because you will be feeling comfortable in the weekly quizzes if we are in the sync, because weekly quizzes syllabus will be in the sync. You will be participating in others doubts if you are having some doubts, or someone is asking some doubt in the Telegram, and then most probably the most of the doubts will be on the relevant currently going subject. Then you will be able to participate in the discussion. You will be, if you are asking some doubt, then people will be more interested to solve the current going subject answer, right? Because there will be more people active on that subject. So basically just be in the sync. Do not miss the thing. If there is some topic which is left out, if this is left out, let's suppose left for you, do it later. Do it later. Okay, do it at your free time.
So one thing Aryan is asking actually. Aryan is asking, do we need to follow any book for practicing the questions? Let me tell you, we will provide you with the link. We will provide you the screenshot, so you don't have to do that. Okay, please listen to this very carefully, that we want you to solve standard questions, but you don't know which question to solve. Okay, some questions are gate relevant, some questions are not gate relevant. So if you solve standard book questions, then you don't know which question to skip, which question to solve. We will provide you the screenshot of gate relevant questions from the standard resources in the homework, in the weekly quizzes, in the test series, in the class. Okay, so in the practice set, we will give you. Go classes is all about following standard resources. Whatever, if we are solving throughout the course in 1 year, if we are solving, let's assume 8,000 questions, then all these 8,000 questions are standard questions from standard book, standard university. So I'm telling you, you don't have to do that. We will do it for you. We want you to solve standard questions, but we will provide you those standard questions. So very simple. You don't have to solve standard questions from the standard books. You don't have to solve questions. Okay, we will give you the questions.
Right, right. Vinith is asking, sir, we will be getting detailed video solutions of the weekly quizzes. See, video solutions we cannot guarantee for all the questions, but we will be taking good questions in the live session. So live session is all about the practice, all about the doubt sessions. So if there are some questions which are in the weekly quizzes, and some people are finding it very, very difficult, which are not able to understand using the text format. If you are not able to understand using the text format, we will be taking that question in the live session. Okay, don't worry, we will be taking that question in the live session. Now there is one more question that is keep on coming. So let me just clarify this. The people are again and again asking that what is the timing of the uploading lecture. See, let me be just practical. If we are providing some lecture, we will be recording those lectures daily. So we cannot be 100% sure that okay, at what time we will be uploading the lecture. Typically it will be between 12 p.m. to, you can say, 5 p.m. I mean any time in a day. So but we cannot fix the timing, because we will be recording it whenever we finish recording, then only we can upload it, right? So maybe sometimes we can finish recording early, we maybe sometimes late, maybe sometimes in night also, maybe 8 p.m., something like that. But we make sure that you get enough time to consume that content before the live discussion. So if we are uploading, let's suppose we are uploading at 8 p.m., then the live session next day will be obviously at 7:30 or 8. So you will be getting enough time, at least 24 hours of the time you will be getting before the live session. So this won't be a problem. Okay, this won't be a problem for you, don't worry about it.
See, 3 days Sachin will take doubt live session. 3 days I will take live session. So you don't have to worry at what time on any day, at what time the video will be uploaded. You don't have to worry about it. We will notify you in the announcement group. You know, there is an announcement group on the Telegram. We will notify you there that video has been uploaded. Okay, for example, discrete mathematics lecture number 13 has been uploaded. This notification we will give you, but the point is simple, that every day videos will be uploaded. At what time we will upload, that we cannot fix. Okay, that is not practical. If we tell you that we will upload at 10 a.m., okay, that is not practical, we cannot follow it. Okay, so simple thing is that we can upload anytime. Okay, but we will notify you in the announcement group on the Telegram. Announcement group is there, we will notify you there. So also you will not face any problem, because 3 days Sachin will take live class, 3 days I will take live class. So you are not going to face any problem at all. So don't worry about it. Okay, we will not let you face any problem.
Right, right. So Sayan is asking that, sir, I will give the gate second time. Should I start again from the beginning? Yes. So yeah, that is actually very nice question, and I want to clarify this question to every one of you, because there are many students who are I mean, who will be studying second time. See, Sayan was our student. I mean, our Go classes student last year. So he like I'm not I'm basically discriminating between any other coaching and Go classes, but the idea is very simple, that he must have knowing the concept that we have already taught. I mean, we will be teaching in the 2024 course. So for Sayan, it will be good if you can just improvise your old notes. I mean, you just start from the beginning, that is for sure. You need to watch all of the lectures, okay, all GATE 2024 lectures. But if you do not have time, then you can just modify your existing notes for some subject. Let's suppose for C programming, if you see that okay, you have written everything already very clearly, then maybe just few points you may need to add, and few examples you may need to add to your to your existing notes. So you can do it. But for others, those who have not studied anything from Go classes, I will recommend you to write everything if it is possible. Otherwise, like I will recommend you to consider yourself as an absolute beginner. Although it is true for everyone, those who have already studied from Go classes or not, it is true that don't think that you already know few things. You just need practice. You need this. You need that. No, just consider yourself as an absolute beginner. Consider that you are this year you are going to learn many new things, and then you do not know anything. I mean, just consider like this. But eventually, when you are studying, then obviously your past knowledge will be very helpful for you. Whatever you have studied for GATE 2023 or maybe earlier, that knowledge will be extremely helpful for you. But don't get overconfidence that okay, you've studied this, okay, you will be skipping this topic. No, don't skip any topic from our course. You let me put it very simply, you cannot even afford to skip any video from Go classes. If you skip any video from Go classes later, if you see this, let's suppose you are skipping some video from some topic, and then you think that okay, you know this topic, there is no use, then why watching the video? It might happen most probably that later, if you see that video again, you will be finding out that okay, you were wrong. There were few things, maybe just one thing, there were just one or two things that you got to know new from that video. So you might not be able to afford any of the to miss any of the video. So don't do it actually. Okay, don't miss any of the video. Consider yourself an absolute beginner. Coming to the notes, if you've already studied from the Go classes, then maybe you can improvise your old notes if that is possible for you. Otherwise, you write your notes again. Okay.
See, one thing I also want to say, I want to be very honest. Like you might find that you might feel that I am demeaning anyone. But no, but I am just being very honest to our students. You are our family now. Okay, for
Right.
the next 1 year we are going to be a family. We are going to have a lot of discussions, chit chat we are going to have. Okay, I will know about you, you will know about us, and we will go through your preparation. We will leave your preparation with you. Okay, so I want to tell you one thing very very honestly, and that is that if you have prepared from somewhere else, okay, then you might be thinking that yes, this topic I know because I have prepared from that teacher. Okay, so I am very good in this topic. Let me tell you that once you study that same topic, once you study from Go classes, you will think that what I studied, that was just, I can say, very simple, that was just very low quality. I can say that is not worth it. Okay, that content that I have studied previously, that is just I can say dumb content. Okay, very simple, very honestly I am telling you, you will experience this. Okay, and once you experience this, you can message me, because I have gotten this type of messages. Like for example, there was one student, actually he joined Go classes very late, but the reason he joined very late is because he used to call me, and he used to tell me that sir, मेरा सब हो गया है, मैंने सब कर लिया है, मेरे को मेरी जस्ट प्रैक्टिस की कमी रह गई, मेरे को सब आता है लेकिन मेरी प्रैक्टिस की कमी रह गई. आई ऑलरेडी नो एवरीथिंग, आई ऑलरेडी नो ऑल द कॉन्सेप्ट्स, बट माय प्रैक्टिस वाज लेस. Okay, so that is the reason I could not get a good rank in the GATE exam. I told him that you join the Go classes course, and whatever topic you think you are expert, okay, just take one topic for which you think you are expert, you are the god. Okay, and that topic you study from Go classes, then you see the difference. So that happened actually, and that student himself, he sent me message that sir, today I watched this division lecture. Actually there was one concept in the in relation algebra, there is a division concept, division operator. So he sent me a message that sir, I watched that lecture today. आई यूज टू थिंक, मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि मुझे डिवीजन ऑपरेटर आता है, अच्छे से आता है, बहुत अच्छे से आता है, लेकिन आज मुझे पता चला कि डिवीजन ऑपरेटर मुझे आता ही नहीं था. मैं तो सिर्फ रट के बैठा था कि क्वेश्चन कैसे सोल्व करने हैं, कि दो क्वेश्चन कैसे सोल्व हो जाएंगे, वो मुझे आता था. मुझे पता ही नहीं था ये डिवीजन ऑपरेटर होता क्या है, कहां से आया, इसका नाम डिवीजन क्यों है, इसको इसके अंदर क्या क्या क्वेश्चन बन सकते हैं, क्या क्या वेरिएशन बन सकते हैं. सो बेसिकली दिस वाज हिज रिव्यू आफ्टर वॉचिंग वन लेक्चर ऑफ Go classes, ओनली वन लेक्चर. ओके, सो
Right.
अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू, प्लीज देखो, अगर आप पहली बार प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो Go क्लासेस के साथ, आप पहली बार गेट के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो, तब तो कोई टेंशन नहीं है, देन देयर इज नथिंग टू वरी, यू कैन फॉलो Go क्लासेस. बट द प्रॉब्लम हैपेंस व्हेन यू हैव ऑलरेडी स्टडीड फ्रॉम सम अदर इंस्टीट्यूट. Okay, if you have already studied from some other institute, then problem happens. Then you are thinking, you are thinking that you already know this, you already know that, you are already expert of this subject, that subject. Okay, you don't need you don't need any improvement. So basically those type of thinking you already have. You are thinking that so actually what will happen once you watch the Go classes lectures, then let me tell you, first you have to unlearn your previous concepts, all the wrong concepts that you have studied before in the previous institute. Those concepts first you have to unlearn, then you have to learn the new concepts. So I am just telling you very honestly, I am telling you that do not miss any lecture of Go classes. Keep open mind. Okay, keep very open mind for learning new things. You will learn, some previous misconceptions will get cleared. Okay, so just follow Go classes GATE 2024 course, and you don't need to do anything else. No other practice you need to do, no other lecture you need to watch, no other institute you need to you need to refer. You don't need to do that. Go classes complete course is enough. Just follow us for 1 year. Okay, and this is not something which I am claiming, it's not something, it is our result of GATE 2023. In GATE 2023, you will see the Go classes result. In the history of GATE exam, this type of result has never come from any institute. So you will see that. Okay, so this is just something honestly I am telling you, because it is good that I tell you right now. It is better that else what will happen, you will realize it after 4 or 5 months, you will realize it. That is not good. Okay, then you will regret. In the last 2 months, remember, before the GATE exam, before the GATE 2023 exam, in the last 2 months, we got hundreds of messages that sir, I regret this, I regret that, I regret this, I regret that. Our YouTube channel comment section is full of regret messages. Sir, I'm regretting I did not join Go classes. I'm regretting I did not study this topic from you. I'm regretting this, that. So basically, this type of messages we get before the GATE exam. In the last 2 months, people realize these things. This realization happens in the last 2 months. Okay, I want you to realize it right now. I don't want you to go in that regret phase. Okay, so one line I will tell you, please take it granted. Trust me and take it for granted and follow this. Follow GATE 2024 complete course. Stay consistent. Stay with us. Trust us. Okay, and just follow this for 1 year, and that's it. That's it. You will get your desired rank. You will get your desired result. You just stay consistent. Follow GATE 2024 course of Go classes. You don't need to do anything from any other resource. Okay, we will provide you everything.
Right. And if you are from, okay, I'm audible, right? So if you are from some other institute, I mean, that is fine. See, your past knowledge will definitely helpful. We are not saying that it won't be helpful, but there might be and there must be. I'm telling you, so there are two type of things. There must be some misconceptions that you may think that okay, you know it, but it might so happen that you know it wrongly. First thing is that. Second thing is that there will be many concepts that you will get to know new things. Okay, I mean, just like Deepak is saying, the division operator, you might think that you know it, but you will get to know more about the division operator, the proof, the intuition that why it is working. I mean, why it is defined in the way it is defined. So basically, you will get to know many new things. You will get to know many things which you thought that you knew it. And similarly, like, there will be many misconceptions that will be cleared. And if you are having your notes from the previous coaching classes, or from the previous place, most probably, let me be very honest with you, those notes will not make any sense here. I mean, those notes were like, you may think that we are getting, we are getting obsessed with our content. But I'm being very honest with you. You will observe with yourself. Those notes will be useless for you. You will not be able to modify them. If you're thinking that okay, I will just rectify those little things there, and then will make the Go classes notes. No, it cannot even happen, because these are not little things. You will see a complete change in our concepts, complete change in our examples, in our theory, proof, everything. So you will not be able to improvise your old coaching classes notes if it is not Go classes. Okay, like, I'm being very honest.
Basically, if you update your old notes, then the modification will take a one thick notebook.
Yeah.
Modification itself will become a thick notebook. Okay, so if you only write what you have not written in your previous notes, if you only write those things, then also you will get a very I can say thick notebook. You will fill. Okay, so those differences will happen. Okay, so anyway, yeah, Sachin, next doubt.
Yeah. Okay, so Sandeep is asking one doubt, which is very good. Like, we have already clarified in the YouTube sessions that Deepak has taken. So he's saying, what about the revision and marathon sessions? So this will definitely happen. This time the marathon sessions will be in the between of the lectures, between of the schedule, which means if we are teaching something and then we think that okay, we should be taking some revision or the marathon session of that we have taught, maybe let's suppose 1 month ago or 1 week ago, then we will be taking that marathon session in between of the schedule. So that will happen before the GATE also, but in between the schedule also, because we found out that those are very helpful. And I'm sure that many of the students, those who are currently here, are just from the marathon session. I mean, they found it very useful. Then they got to know that okay, the Go classes is a good place. So those marathon sessions will be there this time also. Yeah, Twinkle is one of them. So those marathon sessions will be there this time also, but we will keep them in between of the in the lectures. Okay.
Actually, three things quickly I want to address, because those are very frequent doubts. One
Okay.
doubt is related to short notes. Okay, many students are asking that how so notes making is not a problem. I can make notes, but how to write short notes? That is a very frequent doubt, right? Many of you might be thinking about short notes. So for that, I want to answer. Once a subject will be over, okay, then for that subject there will be one marathon session. Okay, the marathon session will not contain proof. The marathon session will be like a complete revision of the subject. The subject is over. Now after the subject is over, then there will be marathon session. In that marathon session, we will cover entire subject in a revision manner, in a short, I can say shortcut manner, I can say short notes, summary I can say. Thus in the marathon session you will get summary of the subject you will get. Okay, now that summary of the subject you can use as your short notes. You can use it as a summary summary video, summary notes. Okay, are you getting my point? So summary video, summary notes, those two things you can use. That marathon session, that summary session, you can use as a short notes. So that is my suggestion to you. Okay. And second thing is, yeah, Saswat was asking this doubt, that if you are preparing again, if you have already prepared and if you are preparing again, then let's assume that you want to ask some DBMS doubt, then should you ask DBMS doubt? So the answer is, please ask the DBMS doubt directly to me. Don't ask in the group. See, in the group, many students are preparing for the first time. So when they see the DBMS question, they will get afraid. They will be thinking, oh, I am doing discrete mathematics, and this student has done DBMS also. He is doing computer organization also. So basically, they will get some kind of demotivation. Saswat, do you agree with me that some students who are preparing for the first time, they will get demotivated? They will think that I am right now studying the first subject, and this student is already studying the DBMS subject. So they will get demotivated, right? So that is the reason I am saying that if you want to ask DBMS doubt, you send me direct message. You send me individual message, you send me. Similarly, if you want to ask a computer network doubt, you send message to Sachin. Okay. So, and one more strong suggestion, Saswat, this is my strong suggestion, that you also follow GATE 2024 course, because this course we are designing, it will be very, I can say, much upgraded version of the last year course. Okay, the GATE 2024 course, it will contain many new questions, many new variations, many more standard questions it will create. Okay, the lecture size will be short, the duration of the course will be short, but the number of questions will be more, the number of variations will be more. So this is my suggestion to you, that you also follow the GATE 2024 course, so that these type of issues will not happen. Okay, but anyway, it is just a suggestion, it is not mandatory. If you want to follow your strategy, that is fine. Okay, so if you have any DBMS doubt, send to me. If you have computer network doubt, send to Sachin. Okay, that is the solution of your problem. Okay, anything else?
Yeah, I think I have read out most of the comments. So, is there anyone's doubt that we have missed? Can you please confirm? Okay, Tejas is asking to unmute. But before that, let me just see that if there is anyone else doubt. Okay, so can you please write down the doubt again, if because we have to scroll up to just see that, okay, where you have written your doubt. If anyone's doubt is not get it resolved, then please just write it again.
One more doubt was there. Krishna was suggesting something. Actually, Krishna was suggesting that we should call students one by one. We should call students and we should ask students about their problems. So let me answer it. It is not possible. How it is possible? Like, see, but we will provide. We have provided you one solution. We have provided you that if you are shy, if you don't want to ask questions in the Telegram group, then you can ask in the mail. And if you want to talk to the faculty, if you want to talk to me, if you want to talk to Sachin, then schedule a call with us. Okay, if you are feeling anxiety, if you are feeling some demotivation, some problem, some issue, technical, non-technical, any issue, okay, in the course, in the subject, in the topic, anything, if you are facing some issue, please call us. Okay, we will help you. Last year there was a student, Abir Banerjee, Sachin, Abir Banerjee, right? Okay, so he was facing one issue from his college. His college was creating his college placement
Okay.
sale was creating some issue. He called me. We had conversation for half an hour, and in that half an hour conversation, I suggested him some 3 or 4 things. I suggested him, and he did those things, and the issue got resolved. The placement sale, that also, like, basically the problem did not happen. So actually, I think if Abir Banerjee is here, I think, okay, you can find Abir Banerjee in the private group. So he had this some personal doubt he had. Okay, that doubt has nothing to do with Go classes. That is not a technical doubt, but some personal issue he had, and he called me, and it was so good. I felt so good that my suggestion helped him. Okay, so because of my suggestion, his issue got resolved, and he called me again, and he told me, thank you, sir. So that I really I felt very good about that. So Krishna, I am just saying that if you have any issue, technical, non-technical, any issue you have, and you want to talk to me or you want to talk to Sachin, please schedule a call and please call us. Okay, we will definitely help you. You are our student. We want you to get top. We want you to become topper. Next year we also want, right, in the topper only Go Classes is there. That is our that is your target also, my target also. Okay, अगले साल आपको भी टॉप करना है और हम भी चाहते हैं कि गो क्लासेस टॉप, मतलब टॉप रैंक जो है वो गो क्लासेस से भर जाए. इस बार टॉप 30 के अंदर 10 गो क्लासेस के नाम हैं. अगली बार टॉप 30 के अंदर 20-25 होने चाहिए. ओके, सो वो हमारा टारगेट है और उसके लिए आप लोगों की जो भी हेल्प हम कर सकते हैं हम करेंगे. राइट, ओके, सिंपल सी बात है. तो आपको कुछ भी सोचने की जरूरत नहीं, इतना इतना कंफ्यूजन. और एक और चीज, गो क्लासेस जो है वो बहुत ही, मतलब हम एम्प्लॉय नहीं है, हम ओनर्स हैं, हम गो क्लासेस के. तो इसलिए ना हम कुछ भी ऐसी
टाइम
फॉर्मेलिटी
बाउंड
नहीं है
से नहीं
यहाँ पे.
करते, हाँ.
हाँ, कुछ भी फॉर्मेलिटी नहीं है यहाँ पे. अगर आपको कुछ भी इश्यू आ रहा है ना, तो आप मैसेज करो. आपको छोटी छोटी चीजों की टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. जैसे एक स्टूडेंट का क्या हो रहा था कि एप्टीट्यूड कोर्स एक्सपायर हो रहा था. उसका कोर्स एक्सपायर होना चाहिए जुलाई में, लेकिन उसका कोर्स एक्सपायर हो रहा था फरवरी में. तो वो टेंशन में है. अरे भाई, टेंशन में क्यों हो, मैसेज कर दो, हमें चेंज कर देंगे. अपनी
कुछ
कोचिंग है,
ग्लिच है तो मैसेज कर दो.
अपना ही इंस्टीट्यूट है. हम कोई एम्प्लॉय तो है नहीं जो हम चीजें कर नहीं सकते. ठीक है, अपना इंस्टीट्यूट है, हम कर देंगे. ओके, सिंपल सा है. तो मैं सिंपल सा बोल रहा हूँ कि इसको फैमिली की तरह ट्रीट करो गो क्लासेस को. ठीक है, एक छोटी फैमिली, 1000 स्टूडेंट्स. पिछली बार 700 स्टूडेंट की फैमिली थी. मेरे ख्याल से इस बार शायद 1500 तक जा सकती है. ठीक है, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है, मतलब मुझे पता नहीं है कि कितना जाएगा, लेकिन लास्ट ईयर 700 स्टूडेंट्स की फैमिली थी. इस साल हो सकता है कि 1000, 1200, 1500. तो बस पॉइंट इज वेरी सिंपल दैट एक फैमिली है ये, इसको फैमिली की तरह ट्रीट करो, फॉर्मेलिटी की तरह ट्रीट मत करो. ओके, कुछ भी डाउट आए मैसेज करो, मेल करो, कॉल करो, टेलीग्राम पे पूछो, व्हाट्सएप पे पूछो, हर जगह अवेलेबल है. इंस्टाग्राम पे पूछ लो, लिंक्डइन पे पूछ लो. ठीक है, ओके.
राइट. एंड ऑल्सो मतलब देखो, आप पूछ रहे हो ना, तो कभी कभी इट माइट सो हैपन दैट हो सकता है कि हमारा रिप्लाई नहीं आए, तो बस एक बार रिमाइंड करा दोगे ना आप, जस्ट इंस्टेड ऑफ थिंकिंग कि सर तो रिप्लाई नहीं कर रहे. क्योंकि कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि 20-30 मैसेज आ जाते हैं 2 घंटे के, 4 घंटे के अंदर. अगर 30 में से 4 घंटे के अंदर आ गए तो हो सकता है कि, मतलब मैं अभी तो मतलब टेलीग्राम अगर आपको दिखाऊंगा तो रहता ही है इतना, तो हो सकता है कि मिस हो जाए. दैट इज वेरी कॉमन, क्योंकि हम लोगों के पास लिमिटेड बैंडविड्थ है, राइट. 2 ही हाथ है, उसी से उतना ही काम करेंगे. तो अगर आपका मिस हो गया तो एक बार बस रिमाइंड करा दो कि सर कैन यू रेक्टिफाई दिस डाउट. ओके, जस्ट रिमाइंड अस अगर आपका कुछ भी मिस हो जाता है तो. एंड
एक
ऑल्सो मुझे, हाँ.
एक मानसा बोल रहे हैं. सो मानसा इज सेइंग दैट कैन वी स्पीक इन इंग्लिश, कैन वी whatever we are speaking in Hindi, can we repeat in English also? So Manasa, I want to tell you that all the all the important things we will only discuss in English. Okay, so please don't worry about it. All our content, the complete content, questions, doubt discussion,
Everything,
everything will
yes.
be in the English. So don't worry about this English Hindi. Very rarely we use Hindi. Okay, you can see in this lecture also, in this session also, 99% times we are using only English. Okay, don't worry about if we are speaking Hindi, if we are speaking one line of Hindi in between, uh, because this is a non-technical session. In the technical session we will not even speak a word of Hindi unless you ask a doubt in Hindi. Okay, so if there is a session, at the end of the session, if you ask your doubt in Hindi, then we will answer in Hindi. If you ask your doubt in English, we will answer your doubt in English. That is our interaction with you. Okay, that is our conversation with you. But whatever we will teach, whatever practice session we will have, in all those sessions only English will be there, only English.
Right. So actually, there is one, like just to continue with this, there is one dialogue that I got to remember in our series. हिंदी का ही है, तो I have to speak in Hindi only. कि अभी टीवीएफ का जो सीरीज आया था, क्या नाम था उसका, पिक्चर्स जो आया था, उसमें जो डायलॉग है कि दे वर सेइंग कि हमारा यहाँ पे टाइम खत्म होने के बाद काम खत्म नहीं होता कि टाइम खत्म हो गया अब चलो अब कल करेंगे. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. काम खत्म होने के बाद टाइम खत्म होता है कि हाँ अभी काम नाउ वी आर डन फॉर द डे. सो इट्स लाइक दैट. ओके,
And
cool.
I just want to continue what Sachin was saying. See, from our side we put a lot of efforts. We want to answer all your doubts, but it can happen that we are getting 40 chats we are getting. Okay, 40 messages we are getting. It may happen that we will answer 30. Okay, then it can happen. It sometimes it will happen. Sometimes it will happen that your doubt, you are sending a doubt but we did not see. Okay, so then feel free to remind, right? That is what we do in the family, right? You don't have to, you can remind it, आपकी इज्जत थोड़ी घट जाएगी उससे, ठीक है? तो आप रिमाइंड करवा दो, ठीक है, हमें कि सर ये डाउट मैंने, प्लीज रिप्लाई. ओके, सो सिंपल सा है. सो प्लीज डोंट हेजिटेट, इट्स लाइक अ फैमिली. प्लीज ट्रीट अस लाइक अ फैमिली. वी विल ट्रीट you like a family. You can also do the same.
Dilip is saying, sir, there is more than 350 videos of each 2 hours on average in 2023 course. How can it be possible to complete 3 chapters within 2 months? Is this like a concept teaching videos? So just leave it to us. Okay, I mean, how we are designing the course, just leave it to us and just wait and watch. Like we will do our work. So don't worry about the things that that is left to us. Okay, so just don't worry about that, how we are going to cover, how we are going to be precise. Just watch. Okay, for some time you will get to understand that that how we are going to cover everything in very optimized way. Okay, just leave it to us for now. Okay, Tejas is saying, sir, I saw your discrete mathematics and C programming lectures, but making notes take more time. I'm able to complete one lecture of 2 hours in 3 hours or sometimes 3.5 hours, because if I do not understand again, then I rewind the lecture after making the notes. In the whole day, I'm able to watch 2.5 hours and able to write the notes in one day. It consumes a lot of time. How to manage properly on the daily basis? Yeah, actually, notes taking might take some time initially, but at the end, it will be worth. So Tejas is actually essentially asking that I'm making the notes along with the lectures, but it is taking too much of time in making the notes. I agree. I completely agree with you. But it is just one-time investment that you are putting. After this one-time investment, once you have your notes ready, you will feel so comfortable with that topic, with that particular subject, that you will never ever again have to spend that much time for that particular topic, because your all of the concept will get clear. See, like among since there, like, as all of you knows, that there are many differences between the Go classes and every other coaching, but the one crucial difference that I can just point it out here is that, like, with Go classes, what will happen, that if you're studying something, then you will get to know all of the things at one place. You will rarely be learning some new concept. Okay, some new concept using the test series or using PYQ. So rarely you will be learning some new concept. You might be revising or something. This will happen. But with other coachings, what happened, like, I mean, I can share my experience particularly. So when I prepared, then when I was doing the PYQs, I was doing the test series, I usually get to learn many new things on the daily basis, even though I have completed my course from that coaching. So what's the point of studying then, right? But it won't happen. Like, most probably there will be very rarely the one or two concept you might find in one or two subjects, but it won't happen that you will be learning some new concept. So if it is done from Go classes, it is done, but it will take some time initially to write the notes. That I completely agree. So you need to manage it. Okay.
See, Dilip, we have already talked about notes making. We will provide you annotated notes, and we will provide you handwritten notes. We will also ask our last year toppers to provide handwritten notes. So these things we have already discussed. Again, summary lectures. After every subject, there will be summary marathon. In that summary marathon, you can use as a short notes. You can use, okay, you can use the annotated notes of that summary marathon as a short notes. So from our side, whatever we can do, we are helping you. But of course, you also have to put some efforts. You also have to do the work that you need to do. Okay, so so that those things, like, you have to do, you have to manage the time, right?
Yes, right. So okay, Aryan is also asking कि theory के लिए कुछ और रेफर करना है क्या? जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी. You will never have to study again, study from any other sources. अगर if it is like we feel that कि हमको कुछ आपको like we should be giving some reading exercise from some standard textbook, so we will give you. Okay, so for example, let's suppose that that I'm teaching memory management in operating system. I will just tell you that if you're interested, okay, only if you're interested, you do not have to do it, because I'm already covering that particular portion from the Galvin in the lectures. But only if you're interested, then from this page number to this page number, if you want, then you can read it from that book. So we will be giving you a reading exercise in the course. So don't worry about it. You don't have to do anything from your side. You just follow us and see. I'm not just saying it. You will feel it in just 1 month. In just 1 month, you will feel it that you don't have to do anything.
everything. Okay, everything is at your own is in your own notes. See, even if you see other sources, even if you do refer standard books, then you will be finding that okay, everything is covered, there was no need to refer it. So you will be, most probably you will be finding that okay, everything is covered. So that's why you don't need to do it. But I'm not saying that you should not do it. See, there is a difference. We are not saying that you should not do it. If you have time, then we are definitely encouraging you to read a standard textbook. Definitely you should do it if you have time, but you never need to do it. And if you just follow Go Classes lecture, then easily just by following the lectures consistently, just by following everything whatever we are providing, easily you can get top 100 rank. You don't have to do it, but if you have time, then we are encouraging. We are not saying that you don't do it. Okay, no, okay, don't read standard books. No, we are not saying it. We are saying if you have time, then only do it. Otherwise you don't need to do it. I hope that clarify your doubt. Okay, so I think all of the doubts we have taken. So yeah, that was really nice interacting with all of you. So let us know if there is any other doubt you have. Otherwise we So can wind up some the session. students have raised their hand. So
Okay. Okay. So let me unmute Prathamesh.
Prathamesh, you can speak now. You can unmute yourself and you can speak, please.
Hi, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, Prathamesh.
Sir, first of all, I'm very happy to join Go Classes. I wish I could have joined it in 2023.
Okay.
So I wanted to ask you that there will be live daily, right? So for 1.5 hours. So as strength is too much, so how is it batch wise, or how you will address along with
See,
like questions or
Prathamesh, actually, let me tell you that most of the students, they will watch the recordings only. It always happens.
yeah.
I think in my personal experience, I can tell you, even if we, like, for example, even if we have 1500 students, then also 100 students will join the live class, and in those 100 students also 20 students will ask the doubts in the live class. So it always happens. See, this is the
Probability
nature
will
of,
be less.
this is the human nature. You understand the human nature. You are asking the doubt like a like all the 2000 students will join the live chat and all of them will write the messages. It is not going to happen. Okay.
Yes, sir. I agree, sir.
So don't
And
worry about it. Think practically what happens whenever some NPTEL series is there. In the NPTEL series, the first video will have 1 million views. The second video will have 1000 views. And the third video will have 50 views. See, are you getting my point?
yes, sir. Got it.
This always happens. Okay, so most of the students, even the toppers, like whether you join live class or whether you watch recorded lecture, that is your choice, completely your choice. There are some toppers who have joined live classes regularly, consistently, and there are many toppers who have joined, who have studied the recorded lectures. Okay, so that is your choice, that you have to decide. But don't worry about it. Both of the things are fine, and we will manage. Don't worry. Okay, so
Okay,
that
sir.
is our tension. Why are you that is not your issue. That is our issue.
Yeah, and sir, one more doubt is, in that only we will get a PYQ questions or a mixture, or it will be separate both?
Some PYQ questions we will solve during the lecture, some PYQ questions, so that you get the, I can say, feeling that I'm learning this concept. Because there are some 2-3 some 2-3 gate questions, you will get the feeling of the concept that yeah, I am learning this concept, now I have solved 2-3 questions. But we during the lecture we will only provide some gate PYQs, we will only solve some gate PYQs, and after that we will encourage you to solve gate PYQs yourself. After that there will be series, live series, where we will solve the gate PYQs. Complete analysis will happen. So from our side, for each gate PYQ you will get complete analysis, but before that you have to try them. Okay, so that is the idea. And during the lectures we will take some gate PYQs for every topic. Some 2-3 gate PYQs we will solve, and the remaining gate PYQs you have to solve. And once you are done, then we will take complete analysis session of all gate PYQs.
Okay, sir. Got it. Thank you.
Thank you, Prathamesh. Okay, so Swasat is asking some doubt. Yeah, Swasat, can you speak now?
Yes, sir, I can speak. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Okay, so first of all, I have a number of doubts, and along with asking doubts, I will paste the doubts in the chat section also for my easiness.
Sure.
And
Okay.
also, I mean, may have some silly doubts, so pardon me for that.
No
So
problem.
first question is like, sir, will you solve some of the PYQs in the recorded lecture, or will you solve it in the live classes and keep the recorded classes strictly for theory? Or maybe like you will pick some standard resources question for the recorded class and solve some of the selected or curated PYQs in the live class. So how will it be?
Okay. So basically the recorded classes, okay, recorded classes will be the self-sufficient. I mean, we will make sure that even if you do not watch any of the live lecture, then also like there is no concept that you will be missing out. So these will be self-sufficient package, which means self-sufficient mean self-sufficient means that it will be containing everything, which means theory, practice, everything it will be containing. Okay, but just to make sure that you people are also consistent with the preparation, we will be coming live there. We will be coming we will be providing extra questions. So it's not like that recorded classes will be only be having theory or something. No, it will be a complete thing, theory, practice, PYQs, whatever it takes. Okay, PYQs, whatever it takes. So it will be containing everything that is required for the gate preparation. Now coming to the live lectures, it will be just containing extra things. Live lectures, okay, it will be containing, sometimes it might contain some repetition of the theory. Maybe if we think that okay, that needs to be clarified live, instead of the recorded session, let us just have interaction with the students, like that where they are facing doubt in particular concept, then maybe it might contain, sometimes it might contain some theory, but mostly it is practice, and it will the extra questions that will be having. Okay, it is extra practice. I hope that clarifies. What's your
Yeah.
next doubt, Saswat?
Yes, sir. The next doubt is like, I mean, when we will ask the doubts in the groups or in the live classes, so can we ask doubts like related to slightly advanced topics? Just for example, I am quite sure that the doubts related to NP completeness or NP hard, they will not be addressed, and I don't expect them to be addressed. But
Okay,
मान लीजिए कि कोई doubt है search algorithm या फिर
just
graph.
ask it, just ask it, whatever you have in your mind, you can just ask it. If it is
Okay.
not gate relevant, we will just say that please leave it, don't waste your time, because we want to make sure that you don't waste your time. See, just after 1 month, probably not even, it won't even take 1 month, just after maybe 15 or 20 days, you will trust that okay, I and Deepak will do a complete justice for every subject. So if there is any topic that is beyond the gate scope, we will leave it. Okay, we will not teach in the class. And if you are asking that in the Telegram group, you are welcome to ask. If someone is replying to that, it is okay, but most probably we might say that okay, you just skip it, because it is not required for gate, and it will just waste your time. If it is anyhow somehow, if it is useful, let's suppose that if you are asking some doubt and even it is 1% relevant to gate, if it can help you even 1% in the gate, then we will definitely answer it. But if it is completely beyond the scope, that we think that even if we answer it, even if we do some analysis on the question, that it will be a waste of time for you, then we will suggest you to skip. Even still, if you are if you just want to ask, then just ask it, no problem, you're welcome to ask. But if it is completely irrelevant, we will just suggest you to skip that thing.
See,
Got
if
it, sir.
something is not, if something is beyond gate exam, like for example, if you want to ask us about NP completeness, NP hard, then you don't ask in the group, because there because other students, they will feel distracted, and then they will start
Exactly, right.
thinking, that oh, this student is learning NP completeness, I will also learn NP
Huh.
completeness. Okay, so basically in the group, you stick to the gate syllabus, you stick to what we teach in the Go classes complete course. Okay, you stick to that.
Mhm.
If you have any curiosity, like these are the curious doubts, right? Okay, we have some curiosity, sir, what is NP complete, what is NP hard, then you can send me a message, we can talk about it, we can schedule a call, and I will tell you about the resources you can follow. Okay, I will not teach you, it's not like I will teach you the NP completeness, but I will
Mhm.
suggest you the resources from where I have learned, I have studied. From there you can also study. So these type of things we can do, and these type of things actually always happen. So you can send us a message that, sir, I'm curious about this topic, so from where to study this, we will provide you some good resources. But in the
Right.
in the Telegram group, you don't ask I can say out of syllabus questions, because it will we don't have any problem, but some students, they will feel that he is learning, I will also learn. This is a human mentality. Many students, they are insecure. Okay, they want to study everything that they see on the internet. on the, okay,
Mhm.
he is doing this, I will also do this. He is doing this, I will also do this. So of course, slowly they will improve. Okay, but it is good that we don't talk about out of syllabus things in the Telegram group. You can send us a message individually, you can send us a message.
Correct. Correct.
Right. Actually, our main concern is that if you ask, then other students will be distracted. So that's our main concern. So that's why we just want you to send us individually.
I
Correct.
already have one conversation few days back. Someone was asking about n factorial. So basically, what is the value of n factorial? Sachin, like if the n factorial value is given, then how to find n?
He asked me to me
So
also.
yeah.
Yeah.
So I had one very nice conversation with him. I told him
Okay.
about my IISc experience. I told him good resources.
Oh.
Okay, so I sent him my own I can say the proof that I had done in ISC. That proof also
Oh.
basically. So these things we do. Okay, who is asking this doubt right now? Who's the answer?
Saswat.
Saswat. So Saswat, these type of things we do. We also enjoy. Okay, but we do these things individually, not in the group.
Correct. Correct.
Okay. Any other doubt?
So my next it's kind of a concern. It's related to video size. So last year क्या हुआ था ना कि you people were recording taking live classes of 2 hours and उसका recording आ रहा था and suddenly 2.5 घंटे 2.75 घंटे भी होने शुरू किए कुछ कुछ recording. I felt that. एंड फिर आप लोगों ने डिसाइड किया कि चलो इस रिकॉर्डिंग को लाइक सेशन को एक एक घंटे में डिवाइड करते हैं 1 आवर प्लस 1 आवर एंड कुछ टाइम के लिए वो 1 आवर प्लस 1 आवर आते थे लाइक इंजीनियरिंग मैथ्स एंड एवरीथिंग लेकिन आफ्टर सम टाइम आई हैव सीन स्पेशली इन द प्रोबेबिलिटी एरिया कि वो भी 1 आवर से ग्रेजुअली 1.5 घंटा 1.25 घंटा में बढ़ना चालू किया बट फॉर वट एवर रीजन maybe I was not very active at that time in the Telegram group. Maybe you are having some different decisions. But sir, whatever be the case, for this year recorded session ka, please try to keep the videos time bounded so people like us who are preparing with the job they can get the benefit.
So Saswat, actually this year, last year, most of the I can say most of the videos were, I can say, long, 2 hour, 3 hour. So but this year we have already said that each video, one video will only have maybe 30 minutes. Okay, so basically we will divide so that you actually, what will happen, the benefit, the content will be same, but the benefit will be like this. Once you complete a video, you will feel the satisfaction of completing one video. That satisfaction you will feel. Okay, so that is the reason the videos will be divided in I can say half an hour, half an hour, half an hour. So for example, if I'm providing you 2 hour content today, then basically you are getting 4 lectures of half an hour, half an hour, half an hour, half an hour. Are you getting my point? So this
Yes.
this is done so that you get the feeling of accomplishment. Okay, once you watch one video, you will feel that you have done one part, one thing you have done. Okay, that will give you some confidence. Twinkle is saying, please do not limit content for the sake of limiting time. Twinkle, that is not possible if you think about it. Okay, that is not possible. The Go classes is running because of content. So if we also reduce the content, if we also do some compromise on the content, then you know who will run. Okay, so please think about it. Go classes is running because of content. Okay, on the content, Go classes is running. Okay, so of course we can never compromise on the content. The content will be same, the quality will be same, it will be more. Okay, are you getting my point? It will be more. Last year, for some topic, decidability, if I'm taking 100 questions last year, this year I will take 200 questions. So don't worry about these things. These are our issues.
Yes, it's just last one thing that जब भी टेस्ट सीरीज आएगा लास्ट ईयर की तरह गेट ओवरफ्लो प्लस गो क्लासेस दो कंबाइन करके आएंगे या फिर दिस ईयर इट विल बी समथिंग डिफरेंट
शाश्वत,
एंड
लास्ट ईयर भी
कंबाइन
वो
करके
डिफरेंट थे. लास्ट ईयर ऑलरेडी, अगर आपने शायद चेक नहीं किया, लास्ट ईयर गेट और फॉर टेस्ट सीरीज का ऑप्शन भी था, गो क्लासेस टेस्ट सीरीज का ऑप्शन अलग था,
नहीं
गो
नहीं
क्लासेस गेट और फॉर टेस्ट सीरीज के कॉम्बिनेशन का ऑप्शन अलग था. 3 अलग अलग
हाँ हाँ
ऑप्शन थे लास्ट ईयर
करेक्ट
ऑलरेडी.
करेक्ट
Okay, so that the same thing will happen this year also. Gate or for test
ओके
series is different. That is created by Arjun Suresh sir. Go classes test series is different. That is created by me and Sachin. Okay, you
Mhm.
can take both of them, you can take one of them, that is your choice. That choice will be the same this year also.
Okay,
Mavit is
okay, sir.
saying, what about Go Classes 2023 test series? We will decide on that. We have not decided, but Go Classes Gate 2023 test series, most probably that will not be available after the month of April. So once our 2024 test series will come, then the 2023 test series will not be available. But in the 2024 test series, more questions, more tests will be there. Okay, more number of mock tests, more number of tests. So that will happen.
Okay, okay.
So
Any other doubt?
I think what we can do, I think all the doubts that we have in the next guidance session, we can take more doubts, right? Because
Hmm.
students are asking for test series doubt. Test series will start in month of April. Before that, we can take test series doubts. Okay, so basically at this point of time, before starting the session, do you have any doubt? Do you have any doubt for the next 10 days? Please ask those doubts, because again we will have guidance session in the monthly guidance session. You can ask. Okay, so at this point of time, please ask the doubts which you have for now.
Yeah, Tejas is saying unmute me. Tejas, can you raise the hand? Okay. Yeah, Tejas, please let us know.
Hello,
You can
sir.
speak.
I'm audible.
Yes, you are.
So as you told that हमें notes बनाया proper daily एकदम proper understanding से मिल रहा है. But so when sir मैंने ऐसा भी try किया था, annotated notes only read किया मैंने. After reading, after some day I am start forgetting. So I am not understand how to plan a daily. मतलब हर रोज कैसा study का planning होना चाहिए. So आपने कैसे किया था sir? So I can little bit modified in my plan and work on that.
Actually, this year what we are doing, like this year we will be providing revision marathon, है ना? तो उससे
Okay.
आपको बहुत ज़्यादा help होगी. Like you don't have to revise at your end. We will make sure that you are revising. तो उससे आपको बहुत मतलब आपको एक मतलब लिमिट से ज्यादा पुश मिलेगा कि हाँ रिवीजन हो रहा है. यू नो द थिंग्स दैट यू हैव स्टडीड मे बी 1 month बैक 2 months बैक. तो टाइम टू टाइम हम रिवीजन करवाते रहेंगे. वीकली क्विज़ जब टाइम टू टाइम होंगे तो उसमें क्या होगा कि लेट्स सपोज करेंटली वी आर टीचिंग सम सब्जेक्ट व्हिच इज लेट्स सपोज ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. In the
Yeah.
operating system, the weekly quizzes will be related to operating system only, will be related to the last week, but we will also put 1 or 2 questions from the previous subject, maybe C programming, engineering mathematics, just to make sure that you are revising those things also. We will tell the syllabus upfront. 1 week ago only we will tell the syllabus that in this weekly quiz, in the upcoming weekly quiz, we are going to provide operating system questions, but also 2 questions will be there from the engineering mathematics, or maybe 1 question will be from the engineering mathematics, something like that, so that you get some motivation you are getting from the weekly quizzes, some motivation you are getting from the revision marathon, and there will be a test series. So we will make sure that you are revising at time to time. So that we will try to make sure. So if your concern is about revision, then we will make sure it.
एंड सर वन लास्ट डाउट सर, आपने बोला कि शॉर्ट नोट्स बनाना चाहिए, बट सर लास्ट ईयर जब मैं दीपक सर का देख रहा था कॉम्बिनेट्रिक्स सर, वो एक्चुअली कंसेप्ट 1 to 1 परफेक्टली क्लियर हुआ सर, बट टाइम बहुत ज्यादा इन्वेस्ट होता है नोट्स में. नोट्स सर आपने बोला वर्थ है सर, बट इससे और फास्ट कैसे कर सकते हैं? सो कैन आई कंप्लीट मोर वीडियोस ऑन डेली बेसिस, डेली टारगेट, हाउ टू इंक्रीज द डेली टारगेट अकॉर्डिंग टू यू एंड सर दीपक सर?
Okay, see, one thing you can do once we decide that okay, these are the few people who are going to write the notes. जैसे जैसे मैंने बोला कि we are going to conduct a event or something, so we will be just asking few students to write the notes, and we will be just giving some prize money to them, so that they get motivated to write the notes. तो आप उन पे rely कर सकते हो कि you are going to get the notes after 1 month after the subject completion, or maybe in between also we will ask them to share the notes, so that so that you people get to know, I mean get the notes in between the lectures also, in between the subject also. तो अगर आपको डेली ज्यादा वीडियोस देखनी है तो आई कैन से दैट आपको थोड़ा मतलब कम अगर आप लिखोगे तो उससे ही मैनेज हो पाएगा. अगर आप डिटेल्ड में लिखोगे तो वो टाइम कंज्यूमिंग तो होगा ही होगा, दैट इज फॉर श्योर. सो
तो
अगर आपको
सबको होता है ना तो सबको ऐसे ही होता है कि सर मेरे साथ ही ऐसा हो रहा है.
नहीं नहीं ये कॉमन है, मतलब ये
हाँ.
होता ही है, ये तो सबके साथ ही होता है.
नहीं,
लेकिन अगेन हाँ
एक्चुअली क्या होता है तेजस, जैसे मेरे पास में 32 घंटे हैं दिन में, आपके पास 24 है, सचिन के पास 18 है. तो आप समझ रहे हो, बेसिकली सबके पास सेम टाइम है, टाइम लिमिट सबके पास सेम है, राइट? ओके, आर यू
Yes,
गेटिंग?
sir.
दिस वाज जस्ट sarcasm. ओके, आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू दैट ऑल द पीपल दे हैव द सेम अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम एवरी डे. Okay.
Right, sir.
So some student is preparing with semester, someone is preparing with job. Even if someone is preparing dedicatedly, they also have some other commitments. They have to, maybe they have some other commitments. We don't know. Basically, everyone is having some issues. Everyone is having, but everyone has the same amount of time. Same amount of time. Now, what you do in the time that is available to you. Okay. So, for example, let me just give you one example.
Yeah.
Let's assume you are getting 4 hours every day and some student is getting 8 hours every day. Still it is possible that you will do much more than him, because the reason is very simple. He is getting 8 hours every day, but he will not be consistent. He will not use those 8 hours. He has 8 hours, but he will not use those 8 hours in a consistent way, in a good way. Maybe you are using your 4 hours in the best way possible, consistently every day from beginning till the end. Okay, and you are a topper. Okay,
Yes.
so yeah, further Sachin can continue. Actually, I just wanted to tell you that
Right.
everyone has the same amount of time. What difficulties you are facing, someone else is facing more difficulties, and still people are getting, top rank.
So I got your point properly. And sir, actually, I have a group of 20 friends, and just I want to ask. They told me to ask. So is the scholarship will be there or not? So I can tell him
Yeah, a
my friend.
scholarship test will be there, but it will be quite late. I mean, it will be at 15th of July. So if they can wait till that time, then they can they can make use of this scholarship test. I mean, around of 15th of July, I cannot commit the exact date, but it will be between the 15th of July or to the 1st of August, I can say.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir, for solving the doubts. And sorry
Okay.
to disturb you.
No, no, welcome. Yeah.
So now one thing we can do, let's start the GATE 2024 course. Let's get started. The first course for the next 5 days, 25th. Okay, so let's Sachin, can you terminate the screen sharing so
Okay.
that we can give the final conclusion. Okay,
Yes.
this is the final conclusion, that now let's start the GATE 2024 course from 25th February. For the first 5 or 6 days, the fundamental course will be going on. Okay, in the fundamental course, basically we will teach you those concepts which you have already seen in your 11th class, 12th class. Those concepts we will basically teach you. Okay, in the fundamental course, whatever we teach you, that will help you in the remaining courses. Okay, this fundamental course will be live, will be completely live. Why? Reason is very simple, so that we get to know about you, you get to know about us. Okay, so that we can start. Okay, so for the first 5 or 6 days, fundamental course will go live. Okay, we will teach you concepts live, everything will be live for the first 5-6 days. Okay, now after that, the course will go, the engineering mathematics, discrete mathematics, they will go. Okay, and the things will happen, the things will keep happening. But whatever doubts you have right now, please wait for the next monthly guidance session. Every month there will be 1 or 2 guidance session. Sometimes there will be, I can say, sometimes, for example, let's assume I am free. Okay, and I am free and I'm getting bored, then maybe I can schedule one call. Okay, I can schedule one Zoom call. So these type of things also can happen. So there will be monthly guidance session, 1 or 2 sessions will be there every month. In those sessions you can ask more doubts. Okay, and so please, let's start the course now. You already know how to join the course, private group, private Telegram group, how to ask the doubt. Okay, where to ask the doubt, all these things we have covered. Now we are ready to start our course. I think most of your doubts we have taken, but still I know there might be some doubts. Okay, if you have some doubt which you cannot hold, okay, which cannot wait, then please ask us in the Telegram group, we will answer it. Okay, and if any of you face any difficulty during your preparation, then please send us a message. If you are not satisfied with something, okay, then if you are not satisfied that, see, this thing should not happen, this thing should happen, if you are not satisfied with something from Go classes, then also you tell us. We are all ears. Like, let me give you one example. Twinkle, so before taking the course, Twinkle has asked me at least 50 doubts, at least 50 questions. Okay, so so you can see, the same thing you can also do. Okay, so you just have to do. It's in your hand. Cracking the GATE exam, getting the top rank in the GATE exam is in your hand. We are always there. Okay, so as I told you, we don't have working hours. Okay, you can ask us doubt. As Sachin was saying, हमारा काम टाइम के बाद खत्म नहीं होता. हमारा काम मतलब काम खत्म होने के बाद खत्म होता है, मतलब कुछ ऐसा सा डायलॉग था, सचिन ने
Right.
अच्छे से बोला था, मैं तो कुछ
मुझे भी
ऐसे
अच्छे से याद नहीं था, बट मैंने
नहीं,
सोचा
लेकिन
शायद
बोला
ये
अच्छे से
होगा।
था, एकदम बढ़िया तरीके से
हम्म।
बोला था सचिन ने। सचिन रट के आया एकदम, डायलॉग 2-4 रट के आया, मुझे पता है। तो एनीवे, तो कोर्स को शुरू करते हैं, लेट्स स्टार्ट द कोर्स। अगर किसी को भी कोर्स के शुरू होने से पहले कुछ भी डाउट है, इफ यू हैव सम डाउट व्हिच यू कैन नॉट होल्ड, if you have some doubt which needs to be answered, then please send your doubts in the telegram group, in the private telegram group, or send me individually, send Sachin individually. Okay, so I think that's it. This is the summary. Sachin, you have anything to
Yes.
say?
No, I think that is all. Like, it was really nice interacting with all of you, and we are also very excited, just like you, to start our classes. So first class will be on 25th of February, and we will be starting with the fundamental course. Okay, if you have any other doubt, as Deepak is saying, you can just ask us on the Telegram.
The time of the class, Sachin, I think maybe we can keep from 7 to 8:30, so that
Okay.
your dinner can be at 8:30. Actually, last year this problem was happening. If I start the class at 8 p.m., then after half an hour someone will say, sir, I have to go for dinner. Okay, so dinner break we cannot give this year, because only 1.5 hour session is there. Sometimes 2 hour session can be there, okay, depending on your doubts, depending on the practice. So 1.5 hour or 2 hour session will be there. So we will decide. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's not do it in hurry. Let's decide in the Telegram group. Okay, we will decide. I and Sachin will decide, and we will tell you what are the timings, what are going to be the timings of live sessions, and the timings will fix, because every day there is only one live session. The time will fix. Okay, we will fix it for entire year. Okay,
Right.
so that we will tell you in the private Telegram group. If there is anyone who did not join private Telegram group, please send us a mail. Okay, send us a mail on the Go Classes website. You can find the email ID. Please send us a mail so that you can join the Go Classes private Telegram group. Also join the announcement group. The link of the announcement group is in the description of the private group. Okay, once you join the private group, go to the description. You will find the announcement group link. That also you can join. Okay, yes, Sachin.
Yeah, that is all from my side also.
So let's terminate this session now. Welcome to Go Classes. We are happy to have you. Okay, and now our course will start, and we will give our best. You give your best, and let's take it as a target. Okay, this year we are getting 10 in top 30. Next year, let's take it as a target 20 or 25. Okay, so you be one of them. Next year in the top
Right.
30, you be one of them. Okay, so this target we can set. Let's do it. Let's make it super 30. Okay, so okay, so
Yeah.
we will do our efforts. We will put our efforts more than last year. Our efforts will increase. You also increase your efforts. Okay, thank you
Yes.
everyone. See you on
On
25th.
25th. Yeah. Thank you,
Thank you.
everyone.
Thank
Take
you.
care. Bye bye.